you have record and shit with government, you can't get it. See? And your grandfather was here since 21 year old. And he never mind 20. And when we come here, was when he catch up a Bronx.
What you mean, ma'am? Ma'am, what you mean? My father? Where you say Tony catch up where? Where my father catch up, ma'am?
I said your grandfather.
So, ma'am, what my grandfather have to do with me and you?
Because we want to breed a people when it comes to nothing, we go people.
So, ma'am, you are going to tell me, say... So, ma'am, you are going to sit down. Ma'am, let me ask you a question now. Honestly, now, we are talking.
I don't talk about this sex and sex and sex and sex and
then no sex, no fuck, you fuck, make you get 15 pitney, woman. Woman, a fuck, you fuck, make you get 15 pitney. Well, you fuck now if you get 13, ma'am. Ma'am, you fuck a whole lot to get 13 kids, ma'am. Ma'am, you can't sit down here and tell me, say me a whore. I mean, I come out to nothing, you know, like... And that's alright if me dash your belly, because me learn from your mom. Mom, you whore out the whole of St. Margaret's Beer everywhere and make this grace come down upon the family. You need to repent, woman. You need to repent, woman. You're 75. You're 75. Repent, you walk and fuck all about and breathe the whole away and did not want me to go to school. And you turn around and make my brother them fuck me. Woman, go repent and give me back my $1,000. Me have to deal with this woman here. Give me a minute. Me have to deal with this woman here, Jay. After she... Yes, but what I'm saying to you is, you're disrespecting me. Talk about my father and my grandfather. So what? Me raise your pitney them, and me did not get no education. Jesus Christ, come down upon that woman here. Say, all your pitney them run left you. Everyone run left you. None of your pitney run in the project you end up now. My God. So I threw them attacks you can't change. You're a real wicked woman. The woman make the brother them. Woman, you're wicked. Jesus Christ, you can't repent. If man put me all about her, you put me out. You never care for me. You never told me to use a pad. You never buy one, give me. You take me out of school. You make my brother fuck me and the big man down there right now. You send money and mine him. We grind me. You never call the police and never do nothing about it. And you sit there and make them do as them want. And I'm me the one that go up and sell your shit them. Help your plant market. As I say on YouTube, me the only one with a good heart. Woman, you're going to go to the bottom of pit of hell. You are going to go, but you are Christian. You're a preacher. Woman, you're a dirty grease can. Woman, you're a dirty grease can. You can't repent. All you're putting them don't like you. No wonder why Trisha run out her house. You're not going to see me again. Not even your funeral, me now come. Me done, me wash me hand with you. Me papa no good. Me papa fuck you and breed you. I left and come back and go have me. You breed up with all this bunch of pitney. And where they know? One to you, none of them around you. None of them. And me come there when they come buy shoes, gear put by your foot, and spend the money and buy good sitting gear. And me come there, out of the wall of them with me good heart. Things say you change. Woman, you're a beast. May God help you. So help me, God. May God help you, ma'am. May God have mercy upon your soul, ma'am. Ma'am, may God have mercy upon your soul, ma'am. You destroy my life, and you want me come and take my brother pitney. My brother breed the girl, and the girl have the pitney. And you tell me, say you want me come take care of the pitney. Lord, me sick. Call me if anything me dead and take care of the pitney for me. And the only one with good heart, because you want to use me. Because you want to use me. Because you want to use me. No, because you want to use me. You want to use me. No more using my by you. Send me $1,000 come give me. Let me tell her office send me $1,000 come give me, woman. No use me sick money, bill. When me sit down, I take care of your blood clot pitney them. Me never get no. First of all, you know, me sick with me liver. Me never get no hepatitis. Well, it a bun me liver, woman. Well, liver bun me liver. It's a fucking liar. Well, you're the woman hate me.
That's why I don't take anything from you know. And you come over here and say, how much is that? No, mama. I don't take it because I don't have to, darling. I'm good. You know, I'm not just good. I'm very, very good. I am your son of a bitch. Don't come back here, you damn nasty whore. You will do one and you will run. Damn drunk or all that. Leave that out of it. Leave that out of your presumption sinner. You're very fierce when you call that name. You're very fierce. You're a presumption sinner. The Bible calls you a presumption.
Mom, remember when the white man did that fuck you? Mom, remember when the... Mom, hold on. Mom, remember when the white man did that fuck you and make it up off of the ground? And me have me here watch the white man a fuck you from Cooling Spring. You never get nothing and me papa carry come here. Mom, remember when I fuck that down a cool? Remember that fuck that? Remember when I fuck that right down a wider? When did I fuck that down a wider? Me white and dad did a look me. Not a woman. Yeah, fucking Marjorie, you fight over that old. Yeah, cause Marjorie say Marjorie get fucking banana and tin mackerel fuck that because you fight over that. And what you talk about? Woman, listen to me and go read your Bible. You read the Bible back and front. You are reading the Bible back and front. You are not reading it. All the pitney them gone. All the girl meet a girl pitney down the road. All the pitney them gone. You hang up, don't hang up. They are more talk about me a whore, me a prostitute, and me this, and me that, and me not hand nothing. Because she hear me a talk on Facebook, somebody tell her, me a call her name. Me say, me a call her name, me a talk, so me not come look you on a pitney. You want me come, she call me, time gone. And if me love you, do man never fucking like me. You don't want to talk about she not like me grandfather, she not like me papa, and she not like me. Just it come right out, people. Say me a whore, and know me to get hepatitis when me drink the liquor. And as she send money from Jamaica cash, so she not owe me no money. And know me a dog, and me a whore, and me will never become nothing good. The same woman me just spend me $1,000 upon wedding year. The same woman say she sick and make her black seed, I'll go give her for her soul foot, we think. The same blood clot woman there. God forgive me, Father. But me very fierce when me talk about God. Me very fierce when me talk about God because me believe in a God. And when you have my brother down there, rape me the big man down there and send money to him. And go on to my son. And my son down there. You go and give everybody else and charge me $600 a month for one room with my son in her. And they pay that blood clot and me they strip club a plate and send my son to blood clot school. So no come out dunce like you're a blood clot son them. A bad man because my son can read and write and go to high school and have sitting. You want bad man because me one pitney come out good. You used to cost me pitney not there. Me now got on citizen, me not pay enough tax. But me pay, me get me way and me get my son do. He born if you realize that the boy there don't go to good school and have a good fucking job while for you once you know up on bicycle right up and down from Brooklyn everywhere with crackhead girl when got blood clot there with and then government to and take the picnic to your grade for blood clot money. You fucking went and fucking get project apartment where the government give you and the picnic. Now this what would feel like you go dead? You call me and me you call. You want me take over the picnic and take care of the picnic. You want me come sign me name for an apartment in the projects. If you can't take care of picnic, me go over there and me no go back from over there vex. Me spend $1,000 me buy a good blood clot boot put on your foot. Come now want you wear PLS boot and sore foot. Me go blood clot sketches and buy your good boot. You will never see me again until the day you're dead woman. You're a wicked woman and the world is here to see her. And here all my mother deal with me. The world is here to see it. She don't know she up alive. You see, she don't understand that. So she dealing with me dirty. You understand me? She don't realize that the world is hearing what she doing. So I can't wrong. You understand me? She hate me and my papa. She still carry feelings of my papa dead. How long? How long my papa dead? How long my papa dead? I hope you're happy now. I hope you're very happy, Mom. Love you. I hope you're happy. I know you will never see me and hear from me again, but when you come talk about me going to the park, let me ask you a question. Mom, you say, Mom, listen to me. Mom, let me ask you a question, right? I'm going to ask you a question. I'm going to ask you a question and I want you to answer me. I'm not arguing with you. I'm going to ask you a question. I'm not arguing with you. You argue, you done, so what you have to say? I'm not argue with you. Listen, I want to ask you a question. Mom, I'm talking to you, right? I'm not cursing with you. It's the last time you're going to hear my voice. You need to listen to what I'm saying. I want to know why you hate... Ma, I want to know why you hate me so much. Ma, why you hate me so much, Ma? What did I take from you? But you know, not the last time, you're not nothing to do with you. Trisha nothing to do with you. Petrina nothing to do with you. Kurt nothing to do with you. Gary nothing to do with you. Me a cuss fear when they say Gary say come rob you. And the boy come and come rob out your house and me go up online. And that's why I rob out your blood clot. Cause you're no good. That's why God make it all the money you spend a liar. He might turn on the whole place. He come back for you. He come back to you. Because you're not playing right. I as a person show you love and love you as my mother. I just sit here and talk about who and how you don't love me and my papa. When my papa and me go fuck my papa, you go and fuck my papa. If you know him never good, why you go breed for him 2 times? Ma, if you know the man wasn't good, why you breed for him 2 times? I want people to hear my life story. That woman never showed me no love. She never showed me to use a pad. That woman never hugged me and give me a kiss. I run behind this blast to the man all my life. And then she go turn around and talk all these things about me. Yes, ma'am. You what? I'm not hearing you, ma'am. I'm not hearing your phone is breaking up. You gotta go where I can hear you. You gotta go where I can hear you. I'm not hearing you. Tony, what you say about Tony, man? Because I don't know what you're saying about Tony. Because Tony, my father dead gone. What you say about him?
They said it's smelly curse the foul.
So the smelly earth step on, we will leave earth step on your close because you're the whole and now it's 4 foot and you're 75. So look like earth step close to you than anybody else right now.
Everybody can see. When we have everybody can see.
Baby, where you go get that? Where you go get that? So my brother tell us, say, my brother look by you and say, just now you're going fucking dead left it and just now you're going fucking dead left it with you.
Right.
That's what him tell you, and I'm telling you the same thing he tell you because it seems like you think at the big house you have a Jamaica, you can't carry in a grave with you and you're too powerful. You learn to love your children, ma'am. In spite of their difference, learn to love your children. No matter who their father was, learn to love your kids that love you, the ones that will go out there for you. I wasn't saying anything bad. I never talked bad about you, ma'am.
And then me now you the school you let you see the picnic their school. Me not dash when me bring them.
You never see me dash your belly yet from you know me. So when you see me go dash your belly?
That's when I'm smelly. You're not so much smelly in Jamaica.
You ever see me, you're there Jamaica and see me dash your belly? When you left Jamaica, how old I was? When you left Jamaica? How old I was when I left Jamaica?
After you have Nagari.
After me have Nagari. After me left Nagari about 1990. I came here in 1991 after I had my son. Mom, I'm asking a question. I came here in 1991. So how much belly me can dash between have my son and 1 year?
You cannot question that bullshit. You're there with man, you're there with woman, you do all kind of something. It's presumptuous sin. You have to go wash and be clean. You can't say, no one. Coming home with me, God. And they have a super put you, they have vascular disease for a long time, and God picked me up, send me come here. That me could have helped.
You never help me and my papa help you. If I never my papa give you papers, you wouldn't there. If I never my papa help you, you wouldn't there. And you turn and fight the man in one house. You're jealous and fight the man if you take it and club in your ass. And you call police and the man left and married a better wife than you. And that hurt you. And when you done you call me and tell me are the youngest one, you know. Try hook up with your father so when he's dead you have the little money to get. You go where him, you cuss your mama in front of me and tell your mama how her pussy big and how her inside come out like goat. Right when granny come to Brooklyn here, and you turn around and mistreat your mama and make she take a tea pad. Mama, you're going to suffer. You take a tea pad, Lipton tea pad and make granny use it 3 times and go out to England and fight for granny money and thief the whole of it. And build big house at Jamaica and see your work feet for your so forth. You thief the whole of granny money and make the woman go poor house go dead And you go Jamaica much time, and me ask you what the woman there. And if you get a number, you wouldn't give me until the woman dead. And granny say you kill your sister. Granny say you kill your sister. When you go over the atom, me couldn't do nothing for my sister. Granny say you kill the girl. You take sitting and lick your sister in her head and the fucking girl take in. Go hospital with bloodshot in her brain and she dead. And they never like Maureen. You never like Maureen. Maureen is the daughter of your sister was dead when your sister was baby. And Maureen where granny them get the house to in a Portmore. Maureen where granny them praise because granny say you are wicked. Mom, you're old, you're not supposed to be here. I talk all these things about me which is not true. But you know me glad you're doing it. Because you don't know how glad you're doing it. You don't even know. I am so glad you're saying everything you got to say. Because when we come around you, that means you never love me. You never have in your heart pure. So now you're just telling me. No, ma'am, let me say something. Let me don't talk. Me now cuss you. Let me don't talk. Me make you talk, ma'am. Ma'am, me make you talk. Let me talk. Me let you talk, ma'am. Let me talk. All right, look into that now. Look into that now. Granny dead, gone. Oh, God. Mom. God bless you. You're gonna live a long life. Listen to me. All my life, me the back of you. Or you hang up, you don't hang up if you talk. She don't want me go into details and talk. She talk about my father. I talk about this and that. Me never tell her I go there with my father. Me never tell her I go there with my father and get me. And my father carry come America and help all the kids that the name belongs to him. But she a fight with the man and a war that the house man take a club on her head and she call police, ambulance, pick her up. And the man a fear maintain her while he married get a divorce and left her and married to one of her friend that King's woman she used to talk to. She of course now say when my grandfather did a Bronx, my grandfather was poor, he never have nothing. And the whole of we curse and when I go have nothing. She come tell me if I go work for minimum wage last week. Imagine say me the woman not talk for years because she mistreat my son. The woman always have me down like a dog. You hear she say? When the woman kick me out, I never have nowhere to go. I have to go in a hotel, go fucking sleep. I never do nothing wrong. You understand? I never do anything wrong. And me call the woman and say, me hate you, me hate your poop. And me always try to be good to the woman out of all the kids. Go up on YouTube, go look on the video. When me go look for her, what she da say? You're out of all my kids have the good heart. Me always forgive her and come back. Even when me know she not like me get the goodness of my heart. The woman say me there Jamaica dash very much belly for me come here. My son born 1990. And me come here 1991. When me son 1990, my son a 1 year old me come here. So tell me when me have can dash so much belly for come America between then. When me live a Spanish town with my cousin them ask. And they will tell you. The woman come cuss but you know she should be on social media and people say the ugliness of your heart. Because no mother that love them daughter would tell your daughter them kind of things. And me get angry sometime. You know, and I have to put her in her place. Because when me grow up and see she do, things could have been worse to me. And she make my brother turn on and rape me and fuck me. And the boy still live on the land down there. And she send money go give me talk about it. Mine is right, you know, me talk about it where he. And me go through all this and she send me go to school. When me left up on my grandmother. Because my grandmother have me like slave and me half hungry and maga down. She came down her house come make me slave, so she sorry for me. If you can take care of her young born picnic where she have. And more picnic where she have. And me couldn't go to school. Me sit down and babysit. And when me try to go to school and get myself ready and we late, I beaten for the whole of we go in a line. And me gone for go take care of them and me cook for them and me wash them clothes. And me go out, go look the bush. And at the wood them out of bush for cook the food. And me cook the breakfast, the dinner. For my big brother come home for dinner for cook. And me take out for him dinner like my husband dinner and tap up it and tie with cloth and put in the cabinet. And that me have to do. You understand, I was only a little girl. I didn't tell my father to do you wrong. My father was a singer. I didn't tell my father to do you wrong or whatever I'm doing your father is nothing to do with me. So when you're talking about my father, the man that gone how long he have diabetes, you still can't get over it. You understand? You still can't let me do with my father or something. Me sure my big sister start talk with my sister, big sister stop talk to her again. She passed my sister with her, she apart criticize her next sister. None of them deal with her. She did the same to my next sister and try to beat her. My sister give her 1 punch in her mouth. And true that she want despise my sister. And make we go against her. Me kind of get mad with my sister because I say no matter how it come to mood I never punch her. But me say why? Living around her and she come grab you and beat you like you like a picnic do all kind of fuck you like she mother take iron and fucking lick me on my back. with a clothes iron for no reason at all. Just because she come to the room and me a pay rent for, and she find a condom in a plastic, and she know I was dancing at a strip club. She know my little sister was going to waitress at the strip club. At the same strip club money me give her and lend her. I she take and go pay a lawyer for the same one. We come rob her with the she attack when you say the dollar bill when you carry come you get from the strip club. I me borrow the money from you and go Jamaica come me the broke me and the money. And me have to go pay the lawyer for send so them no go prison. And after all the boy turn back for me with the imagine that. She know where the money was coming from. When me have a bank account and she says save the money and hold it. She know me go a strip and club and I tell the money was coming from. Me lend her money at the time. She never have it. And a dollar bill she have to sit down and count them out. Even she wanna talk about them. We live. Me live in the place where she live. I like a house. Me pay me little rent. You know, but me couldn't take the disrespect from her. Want to run your life. She call over here. She want to know how much we paying for rent. She want to know how much money me making. Like she want to know how much me have in my bank account or how much me save. It's not your business. It's not your business. I grew up as a little girl and never give me pad when my pussy start bleed. You never all of me go and tell her say, you man just turn to me and say, when I see man pan the left, walk pan the right. Not even my pad she don't give me. Sometimes I used to put bush on my fucking crutches to catch blood coming in my toilet paper. Much as we have paper towel. I mean, I like a picnic, just I never know say a maturity when blood come, the woman no give me nothing. And the woman did it. And when she go away, she never tell me she go away, she just get up the morning. After she say, did you have a dream last night? Me say, no, man. Me no, man, goody. This is too much today. This is too much. I don't give a fuck who wanna hate me. I cuss out them ras. Because me just me believe in God. And me believe you did the right thing. Is tell goody. I'm gonna rise on the post to them. It a burn them, it a kill them, whoa, it a burn them. Yes, man. Yes, man. God, you're so good before me go spend the next $1,000. Take me the off run up and down when people are waiting to make money. God, you're good, let me spend the next $1,000. Y'all see why I smoke now? Y'all ain't gotta ask no question. The hate is coming from afar. Strangers, family, you know. But I love you. Y'all think I'm gonna cry now? Bitch is strong. Bitch ain't gonna cry. Crying days are over. That's gone. Time to make money now. Fucking shit. You know when I feel something wrong and I had to talk? She never wanted me to talk. I'm glad me did. On Facebook with you. After everything went down, the woman got Jamaica. She built up her big house. She thief granny money. Uncle Lanny, when me tell her say that they with granny and I fuck, and I say, oh, Uncle Lanny is so hot this time. Uncle Lanny was in England. And Uncle Lanny have a big mansion in England. That's supposed to be her father. Uncle Lanny gets so sick, and he have a woman who live with him for years, a sweetheart. So the woman using her and sign it, for like sign over the property to herself. But she was going over there to check the father, because the father's sick. So she got to England go look for her papa. And she realized what's going on and she get a lawyer right away. And jump on the case. So the woman couldn't take the whole mansion. My other sister now, she have another sister named Lynn. I think Lynn live in Canada. Either Canada or Florida. One of them place Auntie Lynn live. And my auntie. Me that my Auntie Lynn watch me. My Auntie Beverly watch me from England. Big up Auntie Beverly. She was my dad's sister. Auntie Beverly, big up. I see my class is. Auntie Beverly, yeah, me love you. She said, nobody pound the father family good, Auntie Beverly. So, oh, no good. We are casket. We are earth. We are earth people. We dead. Yeah, you know what she say? My mother said, my father, my grandfather, and me, and my sister, with their Connecticut, and the whole of Ono, and the whole of we are earth people, them, dead people, them, and she has 75. Can't walk good on her foot. Eh? Can't walk good on her foot. And me there at the house there. And then beat me go and then beat me come. Nobody to fucking save me. One of my brother come and he start to beat me with a coconut broom. And when he start to beat me with a coconut broom, I rush to the woman, think the woman I go save me. The woman show me back out and close me between the door and the boy finish me off. And I always think of that. Why? What did I do? What did I do? No man, God is with me today, dog. God is with me today. If I write a song about this now, right now I can't talk to you, mister. Try to help with the black seed aisle. Right now I'm in my one thing. I have to deal with this shit right now. I gotta fucking take this in that just happened to me. Cause it was going on real bad, that's why I come on live. It was going on real worse than that before you guys come on. I mean, I run water. I may decide to just put it on. I couldn't hear a bit. Because I now go understand the story and let me hear for myself. And anybody that get angry like me angry and somebody sit down and tell them thing there. Don't split justice for what is right. Not because you're my friend. I know I shouldn't curse back at her, but God knows sometimes. The shit she telling me a skull belly, me dash belly, me a dirty orange girl. And my papa never good, my grandfather never good. The whole of we are cursed people. Are fucking earth people. I the same woman. When me go see everybody, we see her foot think and she go hospital and already for admit and she didn't want to stay. And he carry an order that she never get yet so. And me carry the black seed I'll go give her and he drop her foot and take her the order. She say, God send me come. Me should have that panting. She say, God send me. God is with you, Olivet. God is working you because you couldn't know the things that we need to fix me back. But God send you come. And hear what she's saying about me now. Wanna listen good and tell me if that's a woman who's supposed to be a Christian. We're supposed to saving souls and preaching in church. She's a preacher and an evangelist, man. She is. So that encourages you to go to church. Listen good. Just listen good. When the tape done, go back over here and look. And listen good. She said, why you call my name on Facebook? I said, Mom, I'm not calling your name. When the woman go to Jamaica and build up and the money comes, she get the money from England. She and her sister in a war. She and her sister don't talk. From the time I know this woman, she and her sister never talk to my auntie. And that made me miss out on my auntie. Auntie Lynn. That made me miss out on her because the woman are evil for you. That means that something a fucking go on. Something a fucking go on. My granny said she kill her sister. Something I must fucking go on because where you going to get the next sister for she not do you nothing. Even if you know something you can't fix it all in your life and you don't talk. Me couldn't live so. Me couldn't live so. Me couldn't. You understand me? Me go to school. And when me get them ready to go to school a morning time, she go on a foreign because she called me man and say, you getting a dream? Me say, no man, me not getting a dream. She said, well, there's a dreamer, you know that? Me say, yes. She said, well, your father is here and come. Come tie your toe piece of cloth. Come in here no shoes. Forget pan the bus to go down to see me papa. That time she just murdered me days before one big piece of stick in the square in front of people. Because she gone a market and me take me poor little soul for go help the woman and she come off for the bus and know she go come now and go down they go wait and see the woman just arrive for the death for the woman. Because her foot body poor circulation from she young. Some people say, oh, be people over her. All kind of sitting people talk say, but I'm my mother. And I love my mother because she's go through a lot to have so much kids and to take care of us and she never give none of us away. So me go try to help her. When me get down there, so me have one friend in jail that a Marjorie. Marjorie the same woman she da cuss with over dad. Marjorie daughter. So she a Marjorie no chat me walk to the back fence go look for jail. That a Marjorie daughter where they treat me good. And the girl she say, Lisa kill me. And me tell the girl, so me see you press out your ear, can you press mine? And the girl say yes. And she sit down and press out me ear pretty and me ear look pretty and nice because me have no fear. And it's straight. Me feel so proud for go meet my mother down the road now, run down in my little dress so me have alone. The woman take the fucking broom she buy from the market and start murder me. The woman beat me till she broke up the broomstick. And fucking murder me. Now the scream me for run for her load and everything run up the left her. And take her scissors and ball off all of the fucking head left. Nothing pan it. So when she reach up, she don't see me with no ear. So when she call me and say, me come the bucket of water for me head from weird down so. Sometimes I go Raya Grande for get water. Sometimes I go Raya Grande go wash up in them clothes. Because no water now come a country hill. Sometimes long for months, no water now come out of a pipe. Up Mount Pleasant Road there. When you toss big curve, the big tank and come up on it like you go Mount Pleasant there. No water now come sometime. You have to go in a tank. Don't wear like a red tank, they go catch water when tank overflow. When the tank full till the water run over. You can't catch water from the tank. Or sometimes I think a pipe on the tank, I'm not sure. You understand me? And if the water, you go on a big road. And me carry my sister clothes, then one place called Big Road, you walk through wide and go down. Anybody down like can tell about Olivet. Tell about Moy, Ugly Moy, Rockazai's head, Dumpling Head Moy. Everybody know fucking Ugly Moy. But Moy go down there and wash Trisha clothes, wash Nadine clothes, wash Kirk clothes, wash Petrina clothes, wash Fiar clothes, wash it two little piece of dirty sheet or whatever we have. And sometimes the boy them take a nice sheet of she have there and fuck girl pan where they left blood pan and a me have to carry go wash if you carry back. Sleeping on a banana trash bag, make out of pair plastic banana bag, plastic bag. Where rice are sitting come out a crocus bag out with your one call it plastic looking one can. Me used to take piece of them and floss my teeth when food each up in there. Draw one strand and split it. And that to trash me sleeping and piss me bed. Because she have her big son putting big hood in me. And me just 10-year-old, 9.5 I got 10. Man a fuck me with him big old hood. Big old hood put me on my knee and tell the woman I do nothing about it. And he still live down there right now, in the yard. She has sent money to him to Western all him life and mine him like my egg. And my next brother him. The one who live at town where I always knock and a problem she have liar. They say they set up upon him, can't go in a house and nothing in a go broke and nothing in there. Don't know what's wrong. Whether she come and come tell me, or the boy saying one kill her and the boy take out her drugs him for money and he can't get. Me go up on TV and I was crying. I come on Facebook and I tell everybody that's wrong with the boy. My mother can't love my mother. Not know she has to do woman deal with her pitting them. Oh, she have something and she have something and we don't have nothing. How long you going fucking have it like my brother say? You want me to tell you say God really, just Lord help me today. Just help me just one day if you just clear my chest. Just help me if you just feel happy. Just help me just get off everything I want to say. Because when I talk to him, I can't find the courage. I can't find it now if you get out how I want to get out. Because it's just so much in there that I never know if to scrape them all out at once. It's going to take me years. And I go through that as a little girl. I climb the hill. I say, look, your papa come. And I go down there with you. And the first thing I tell my papa, she bad, she not listen, she cut off her ear. You not tell him say me have lies. You not tell him why. You didn't tell him why. You didn't tell him why. And when he give you the clothes, them for give me care up on the doll, you give her the doll, because it's too good for me. You give her my doll to my cousin them, care up, they go give them. They must see him pitting like my age, you know. Yeah, because me I say, I look for now I say, me comfort and me happy in a good, me move on past that. Me I'm like sure you know where me I come from. Me move on past that long time. Me stop crying long time. Me just think about this when people get me pulling on cocaine and ecstasy and them sit and they pull me in. The shit where them do to me. But me overcome it through the blood of Jesus. She not see me in a club I drink, she not see me all about, she see me I live a clean life how much years now. Since year 2000. Clean life. And me there and all but me do. Yeah. You know? So that's the problem. Me as a person to myself, me glad me get forget what me have to get out today. Because it's been on me for a fucking long time, dog. It's been on my heart for a while to speak my mind. And I always speaking but not telling the person face to face. And I wasn't. It's the way she come at me, she just start cursing me. And I was shocked. Because what caused the argument right now, I'm going to get to that also. So in the day, my son down there, my son take a box of oats fair. And he was working on the road. And she gets so mad and cuss over it. And my son bite back and send one of the kids go give it to her. She complained to me. Tell her, I have a right, my son have a right to give it back to her. You know, do nothing wrong because you was complaining over it. You understand me? So you know, do nothing wrong. And so on. She started telling me a bad mind. To me tell her, I say, me outside them, I tour people through my house and I show them. I say, ma, you got to be careful. Because you don't know who you're going to bring in that house. And you come from a foreigner, you come down. A bad mind, dirty girl for me house. If that take married man, you too bad mind and worrying. That's what the woman said to me. Me couldn't believe it. And that's what me and I did follow up. We ain't talk for a long time because of that. But me have a good heart and as years go by, me see her picture, my sister show her picture, me give me a picture, show me a picture. A couple of months while now, me see it, me start to cry tears more than the subway when the girl show it to me. All the woman get all up. And my heart just feel away, sorry, sad. Oh, she just have could perish away, all and I get so all up. Me still have love in my heart for my mother. Me not make stupid argument cause me not to see her anymore or to give up on that. I'm there at Jamaica and me decide to run me from the house because she gone. And things is only getting worse. So me could no longer take care of the kids then when she left there. Me run me left them blood clot. She want to hate me for that she hate me. She tell me when she leaving, say, look, I am leaving. She was one of them big labor, right? Big old fucking green frock with the bumbo cloth, big old brown suitcase. Me papa help her to come now. She talk about a church company. No church company, me papa help you. Me hear na Ivana Kiara ask him. And I am married to you. So now him help you. And girl, I tell you, so much want come out. And I saw, then send me go by. My brother named Dan. Me to go one day because I want to be a singer. And I wanted to be a singer so bad. I wanted to be a star. So me decide, say, cause God tell me, say, me going to be a star. So me decide, say, me start work for my music, start work for my thing them. So me never know, say, my brother, me so stupid, know what a little girl just want to do it so bad. Me so want tape put on there. And me go there and put the tape in there and start record my voice, singing sweet, comedy young. And me left it pan there and play it back and listen to it. It feels good. When my brother come, him say, oh, that trouble me tape and tape something over the music. Me say, me don't know. When him hear it start to play and him hear the voice, him say, you. And him left, but him go on a back. And he tell me, say, open the window. And call me through the window. I open the window, the man sail a fucking green mango. Straight in my fucking eye, lick me back in the house. My eye big swell, so my eye ball nearly bust. My brother Donovan Wigan. My eye ball nearly bust. But when me cook, me fi put film dinner apart like my husband, I make sure it's safe, make sure it's not too salt, make sure everything is good. Cause I don't want to get beaten from nobody. And me I cook from me early, I take care of everybody like me the mother. Okay? And I saw me there when Dan sent me the evening, he said, more go and go buy one bread. And me take the money for go buy bread. Me take me one frack and tie in the back and dash it in the backyard. And that's why she wants me bad, me go tell her the truth. Me take the one frack and tie it and dash in the backyard and put in a one plastic bag. And me I tell the truth, me not going to lie to you about nothing, how everything go, come I want it clear. Me go tell her why she called me, all these things she saying, I'm going to be honest. Certain things have to come out, you know, because when they come out, you get too fucking deep, but that then don't understand. That's why something is just left. Just believe, man. Me left because I couldn't take my brother big good no more. Start to bust breast. Start to breast on my chest. Hold on, goody. So me talk to you sometimes, I see me rise and nobody ma go up. I God want that for sure, them a sign. Believe me, I never plan for none of this. But just give me strength to do more music. I'm going to make a song about mama. I'm going to make a song about daddy. I'm going to make lots of songs. But I'm going to write off my family completely. More than a couple of my sisters, them who have to stay by me. I not hate them. I'm going to write off the race of everybody. Away from my auntie in England and my next auntie I never meet. And my two sisters in England we never meet. I meet one time Audrey, one time I never meet Denise. When me run away, I take the clothes and I take the money for the bread and I run and I go down through back and I cut through wider. I run up as St. Margaret's Bay. And I run up one house where Jughead used to live. I remember the people where there's some neighbors, have some friends. My memory kind of get bad because I've been through a lot. But I have some girlfriends, I remember them name, but they live in the same area. Jughead used to live right up at Top Bay. Top Bay, the place named Top Bay. But I like to find about them girl there. They was good. One of them men and was close. I was like, run water dog. I don't know why. Got me a cry to my nose, but it's alright. And I said to her, I said, listen, because she was a good girl. I said, me I run and I take the bus. I tell nobody. So between me and you, she knows that me alright if you don't see me. And she say, yeah man. And she have an umbrella, it was raining. Like me tell you now. And she shelter me with the hand of the umbrella and wait for me to get on the bus and God. May God bless her soul. I never want to cry. Because I don't know what she did. I don't know what she look like. No crying, Oliver. You don't need crying. You're weak. You're fucking weak if you cry. You don't want to be fucking weak. Let me breathe because I feel like I can't breathe sometimes. Sorry about that. But anyway, you know, I know, right? Only God, man. Oh, goody, I tell you, motherfuckers wicked, man. Them fuckers are wicked, dog. Them wicked man, them wicked bad dog. Yo, think I joke, them wicked, yo. Word, man. Wicked. Yeah, so what really happened now, no fucking call me about cream now, man. I can't talk to her right now. Because we are you take a country about cream, you still owe me $10 and $20. I can't bother with that shit. Kept on train and left me yard for come so far, for come blood clot now, get my money and then for come back again and without no fear, me tell her $6. For the fear, give me $3 like me like a pitney and still owe me. I can't bother with that shit. Leave me alone. But they want to take advantage. One cream, fucking go get you somewhere else. Fucking tired now at this point. Yeah. So alright, man. My fix my makeup. Me I put on this, Miss Long, I put on, dog. Yeah, so it's like me run when me go down too. Me never want to go on a body place so I go catch no man. It was my thing. I was too young. I was trying to get happiness. So when me come off of Windsor Castle, I used to live with my grandmother when I was a little girl, 3 years old. My mother never really raised me. My grandmother, when my grandmother, me a tree, me little pitney. And when my grandmother feed me and all them shit, then I go up in a country and my ribs them a show. She claims she come take me to give me a better life. Because my granny beat me a whole lot too. I end up down a yard of St. Margaret's Bay. I never know all these kids. I forget to know them because I never know none of them. Because everybody's like a year apart. I never really know them. I forget to know everybody. You understand me? And I saw. I run away and go to the place Windsor when I got the yard, the Indian boy let me in. And I throw the one frack in the bush. And I never tell him, so I come back and live. I tell him, so I come visit. Because we still live on the same lane. I ask for his mother, then say, his mother gone and find his mother another day. And that's how I end up stay there. Put something up on my head. Yeah, so, I saw it go. And I got the place. When I got the place now, the boy say, alright, the boy tell me when I back at the house and him say, you're too dirty. And give me a bar of carbolic soap and a rag for bed and the hose with the water like a bathroom. I make out a zinc on the back with your bed. You know the hose, you know them bathroom there. And give me one underpant or one t-shirt. I put on gun at the house. The boy tell me, I'm so tired. I want to go sleep. Boy, I can make curry fish and white rice. Because my parents never did it, so they gone foreign. And I was staying there for a little while until the uncle come and want sex. And then my friend me and Melissa, for her father, they kill her mother. So she said no, because she self-meant she like me. She will go try and do it for the man instead of me. And the man in there ride my friend. And I'm going to go pull up the man and say no, until my friend come forget it, me live in the street. And I saw me left for one girl right on the same house, on the next side, it pregnant. And wants man if you wash her clothes and cook her food. And Melissa used to do it and she get a little change. But she said instead she can make me do it, some would have a place to stay. I was staying there, but I was trained. Some used to peep in my bed all the time because I was trained by my big brother. That's why my grandmother used to take me to the doctor and me get medication and iron tablet and all kind of things to help me not to pee in my bed. Because when my son born, I was still pee in bed. And I was 16 because I was trained. So, and everywhere I go, I piss up the people in place. So, in Jamaica, I did it now, and I live down there, and I live with the girl, and go up some other girl house, when the mother was at home, but the mother have a good house, and have a son. And I try sleep up there, because I left the girl work, because the girl, they give me like a sauce of rice, so I don't cook chicken for her, and callaloo, sometimes she backs the callaloo, she don't give me none of the meat. And she never treat me very nice. And sometimes I have to walk far, I go till one certain place, she send me go pick up her box of food, because her husband pan farmer, but she used to have enough man come and have sex with her while she was pregnant. And I guess she never need me anymore because I keep pissing up in her place. So I had to leave. And I went down, she gave me a pants, but I didn't know the pants didn't have any waist. So I tie a piece of string around it because I didn't have clothes. And I went down to where they was playing the music because I wanted to be a movie star. And I started to try to dance and do my thing, but the crutches bust out. I'm like a vagina did outside of the crutch, me bend on a wine because I never know. That's why she said me's a whore and that's why I'm bad. That's why my mother said that. But exactly that's all my life went. I am not going to lie to you. I'm going to keep everything 100% here today. Why she said me have skull in my belly. And so that happened me down there, and one day I see my sister come. And she come with the police and said, no, you have to come and either go back up her granny or come stay with her. So I tell her, I say, me go back up with my grandmother. So they put me on the bus and me go back up to my grandmother. When me reach up on my grandmother a long time, I live with my grandmother, once me reach it, I go put some peace on the fire. I never feel comfortable to stay because I'm more comfortable me there. Because now Melissa, the lady, will take care of Melissa. And I know her name very well, but this time I can't say it right now because I can't tell my brain because me talk about. Yes, she, Winsome Perry. She's on Facebook. You can contact her if you want. Her name is Winsome Perry. I think she's still here. I don't see her lately, but I know she's got to be somewhere around. Winsome Perry is the one that took me like I was her daughter. She took me in and said, yeah, Melissa can piss on the bed around there. And she lived with like a dreadlocks man, she ever little man. But she cool. When we go to Jamaica, she may go stay if I can find her and deal with her. And she said, next time when you come here, you sleep outside on the veranda with the dog. You should have knock when she come out and see me. So me and Winsome and Melissa go to the swamp and draw dashing and coconut, and we make food and cook, and she make me happy. She have some little clothes on the bar she need to use and she give it. And me cut it like a pants and pull it up because it's stretchy. Come like a little skirt when it fit around me two little leg. And me was there. When me was down there, I didn't have no boyfriend at the time because when I run away, I wasn't thinking about boyfriend. And so I didn't have a boyfriend. I was just there with Melissa and Winsome, just being myself. It was like I was having sex with someone. I wasn't doing that. So after my sister come and bring me go back to my grandmother, I put the piece on the fire and run away and go to the bathroom and thief my granny Bible and lock the bathroom from the inside and continue running. I left the Bible on a oat there to give back my grandmother and go back where I was coming from. My sister come back for me second time as my father said I should come live with her. But went to live with my sister in Bybrook, where my sister had a little house. She had a couple kids. And she lived with her husband, but they never have no flooring on the bottom, just zinc around it. This man used to beat my sister every day and fight my sister every day. My sister and me had the same father. My father used to send money to my sister because, you know, I'm there, you know, extra 100. I should get 100, then me get 100, get 200 to make sure some have food and so. In a Bybrook, in a Portland. In a Bybrook and Port. You understand me? And I saw. When I up with my sister, the man started to beat my sister. Anyway, I'm up there one day and my sister see a guy bottom side named Bill. It's a young man, handsome young man. I looking down, see this Mac, she attacked this man, I think to bring some jelly for her. So it was some people named Sonia that was living down bottom side. I heard they moved to Canada. I haven't heard from them in a long time. I don't really know where they are, but they was nice people. They used to like my teeth because they used to say I have beautiful teeth. My mouth used to stink, but I used to use the coal from the firestone to white my teeth. Them come never like my mouth dirty and my tongue. So I used to use that because my mouth stink. It sick my stomach. So I use the coal from the firestone to scrub my teeth and the fire coal on my tongue. And it really made my mouth clean and my teeth them white. So everybody wanted to know what I was using. She had such a pretty smile. Anyway, the boy come up, and when the boy come up now, the story now got done good. I forgot to charge up and come back. I forgot to stay up on the story till it done. I'm not going to come off because it's hurtful when people want to do me like this. That's why my sister do the thing what she do. So anyway, and so me end up now living with my sister and I start meet the young man come up and he start to talk to me and he say me like her, you know. And my sister say, yeah, I say, I want to carry me, I go down the road later movie, I can't carry her. She said, long as I carry her back, long as I carry her back before 12 or before 11, something like that. This is my own dress now. Also, you know. And him come and pick me up and him carry me. I have a head full of hair, beautiful, nice back, handsome as hell, and him tall and sexy, look good with him muscle because him have a lot of goat and a lot of cows in the bush. Him have a place called Baltimore where he farm his goats and cow and he go way up in the mountain. It's very nice up there. So anyway, we go down there down the road and he carry me to a movie which you have a big TV pay for go in. And so we watch. But one thing, he buy the jerk chicken and he never give me none. And he was eating the jerk chicken and chopping him out of the cross in the river to come back up. And I was mad because I get another jerk chicken. But he said, bring me back. And me reach up. And he keep coming picking me up. And then he said to me, I want to take it to Baltimore. So him get a igloo and him pack it up with ice and him put bun and cheese and supper joint and all kind of sitting in there. And him carry me to the mountain with him. So I went to the mountain with him and it was a beautiful day. We had mixed a lot of sex and eat a lot of bun and cheese, and I see a lot of his flocks, his goats and cow and what he had. And he had a little hut, and it was really cool and nice in a little hut. And we spread out to a certain amount of time. He bring me back down, but it was really far to get up that mountain and so on. So me and him go on and have sex in the bush and all these kind of things and thing. One day, you know, my sister husband, they have like a property, family of property up the hill from where my sister live. They had like a big coffee farm, and the coffee was ripening, cause you know. So he said he was gonna pick coffee and he help, and he convinced my sister to let me go with him and his two other son. Was a big enough boys. Anyway, we get up there, and when we got up there to pick the coffee, he told them they should get some wood for the house and carry the wood to the house and go on down. As soon as me pick the coffee, he started to come around the tree and try and he grab me and hold me down. And I try to take off my panty and bust the side and me grab it and run like me hear news. And me get away. And run home. When my sister see me frightened, my sister said to me, say, what happened? Me tell her not made her hurt me. Come in there want to like I'm not she not gonna believe me. Cause she kinda act like my mother acts you way. You know, me say she said Cynthia say. You know, you should just say a while ago. You understand? And I didn't want to tell her anything. And it gets so bad that me asleep on the ground, on the dirt with some cloth underneath our bed. Because the bed make had 4 pieces stick down on the ground. And the things they lock them and the things them pan it. So when my sister lie to the side, him lie to the front. So when me go underneath the thing, make it and go no further, him pull himself to the edge of the bed and put him on and search. For my vagina, me sleep, me wake up, the man have him finger, push him finger in my vagina. Me wake up, so the man tell me no know how to tell my sister what I do. So my sister belly take her one night. And I hurt her real bad. She have diarrhea. Me fall in my toilet. And I say, me really want to talk to you, but me know you're not going to believe me. And me end up get to tell my sister. My sister go and tell him and say to him, say, what did you do to the girl? What did you do to the girl? This and that. The man try to say, me go kill me. He said, me go kill me. My sister go to him, mother and papa. And the papa say, why she no woman after she no man? You understand me? And the man take machete and start to fight with my sister and deciding go and chop my sister hold him. Me have to take up my son and run me young baby because I the same boy me that talk to me end up get pregnant. But I didn't know I was pregnant. So them send me off to Old Harbour in Kingston, which I don't know Kingston, but they send me to Old Harbour. Gutters, close to Old Harbour. So that's how the story went. Now, that's how the story went. So, me have to run cross river, my sister have to go by Shirley, go sleep. Cross river and left. And when me was in Gutters, when me get pregnant, and them send me to Gutters, nobody know I was pregnant. But I know I was. Something was wrong with me. So me meet the boy, I go for spring water and say, type of foolishness, mad girl. No, you're not pregnant. So when them send a telegram and say my grandmother is coming down from England and she's diabetic and she's going to die and the doctor and can't do nothing for her, them send her down and need somebody to take care of her. So my father and my mother was here. My father lived with my mother, so them decide to use me. So them send me, see my father send like $100 to my sister a month to buy like a big in a country. Me have to go and take care of my mother. So them take me from Buff Bay, because me sent my, Bybrook, because my sister was also pregnant. And she didn't want my father to know because the man keep abusing her and the father no want that to send him money. And she buy big oats and milk, mix the game for him. So she don't want the man know, so she breed again. So then send me because she did to go. And she was up to take care of her. So me I feel left good on now. I got us go live by my uncle. My uncle lived there in a 2-bedroom house with washroom and big screen TV, and then my grandmother is. But when I went to send down there, Lynette have a daughter in Bybrook. Lynette have a house right up the panic and cut this, so Lynette have a daughter named Bybrook. I wish she name again, but she was a good girl. So she was the one who followed me last. We did cook out and we cooked some curry chicken back when I left country because she said she don't know if she going to see me again. And she followed me all the way to Gutters, me tell you. That girl, me I tell her, I hope me find Juliet. I want me find a girl there again, you know. And the girl follow me all the way to my uncle's house. and spend the night there, you know. To make me comfortable, yo. That's a friend of yo. Me I tell you have some people me know good and worse to me till now. And me go and my uncle and me wake up and me wake up. My uncle give me some clothes when my father did send. And I remember me have one black and white skirt with long like with them African skirt, me with the broad belt waist and one yellow blouse. Me so glad to have them. And me dress nice and me feel learn how to take this bus to Spanish Town Hospital. Because that's where my grandmother was, so I have to go to the hospital and bring stuff for her, like food I try to feed her and things that she have to get. So I make the trip to the hospital in the morning and the evening time to go to the hospital. Every single day. So while my uncle traveled from England, he was no longer in England, but he retired. And he lived in St. Catherine, he lived in that house. Also, his father, that was married to my mother, my grandmother. So my grandmother husband. My grandfather. So anyway, what really happened, I visited in the hospital up and down, but suddenly I started to feel sick, and I started to get sick and sick and sick until I couldn't hardly walk. So my uncle wanted to know if I was a virgin, and I tell him yes, which I didn't. I lie because I had sex with the boy. That's why I know who breed me. So after him find out, the doctor tell him I'm 6 weeks pregnant, me in shock, and that is what happened. Him find out me that breed. So them decide, say, all right, my father say, all right, then she don't need to keep the baby. So him and my mother was living together, and them decide, say, all right, they must send the money for me have an abortion. Which them did. Because he told them to make the decision if he must send the money. Me never said she made the decision, but me feel because she never said no. Him said that's what he want get done. So them send the money, but my uncle said, no, I'm a Christian, you might not have another child. I am going to make you have this child, keep it between me and you. And so we did. And so we did. He was a 7-day Adventist. Uncle Texie, big up yourself. I went through the sickness and my uncle go through it with me. Go through it up and down with me. And me up and down till me 7 months. My uncle get me into a school. So I was able to help myself in reading because I never know nothing at all. So I get me to a pregnancy school in Old Harbour, where I could still go and get a little bit of learning to read. And I was doing that while I'm pregnant. Maybe that's why my son so bright. And you couldn't see my belly, how small it was. But then me take so sickly, and the doctor them say, you know what, the baby's getting too big in your stomach, and it will rip you, cause you to be bleeding. That's why you're not having period, that's why you're bleeding. Then after admit me, because my blood pressure was too high. So I was in Spanish Town Hospital, I was admitted in the hospital. For a while, as I come out the hospital, me back in Spanish Town Hospital again. You understand me? And I saw me go through it and I go through it. And my grandmother ended up dying. When I about 8 months or something, she died. She called me inside the room and she said, Yvette. She said, Yvette, I love you. She never said Olivet, she said Yvette. And she said to me, I saw Doreen. Doreen was my auntie that died. She said, Doreen, it is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. When she described heaven while she was walking, she tell her daughter, talking to her daughter, we passed a long time, I tell her daughter, it's so beautiful. And she tell me she love me, and she just telling them, it's so beautiful, and then she just gone. I couldn't believe it, just like that woman gone. Me call me uncle, quick, come. Grandmother dead. Right there, she died. And me did it, and me tell her, so the woman come back, and she was upset at somebody. And I start throw the plate and the pot and everything come back, and I broke up. Them hear for themselves, make them hear for themselves. My sister have to come out and hear for herself and say no lie, me I tell. And I said, no, I go left the place, yeah. And I saw me have to left, because me end up there now. The room where she did dead and I eat me have to stay in because somebody else, first some of them family by the wife, stay in the next room. And the room can have a raw smell. So I don't want to stay in the room. Because the body did the whole day, she died about 11 o'clock a morning and she did it till after 7. So it can have a raw smell in there. And I never do no special cleaning, so I don't want to in there. Because I never see them throw out the bed. So, his wife come when he open, she are in there and she come. And she have an attitude as she come. I complain for lock off the TV, black and white TV in the living room, so I lock it off. I go in the room. And she hate me because she light skin and she Indian and she claim she this and she that and she a go and fuck around me. And her son asked me for a piece of fish. And me give the little boy named Kino. And she got turn around and say, if you make bone catch him, you see? Because she never did like my grandmother. So I take the fork out of my plate and start stab up the table. I said, don't fuck with me. So I had to leave that place because I wasn't feeling happy with the big belly in front of me. So my mother said she have a church sister in Windsor Castle. And then we send a little money to her and me can live there and rent out rooms like there. And me closer to Buff Bay Hospital or not a Bay Hospital because them say my passage is too close. They're gonna have to cut me if I pull the baby out. Me not going can give birth far as what them say. Alright. Me stay in there, me stay there, me live. And there me stay. Until me take sick again and me going in a Buff Bay Hospital, swelling again. Dr. Smith from Buff Bay was a good doctor. Me taking a lot of fluid. My high blood pressure was too high. But then I was ready to have baby, me never know. Then transfer me from Buff Bay Hospital back to another Bay Hospital and I brought down ambulance to fall apart. While me back if you hold on to the two side, the big old got in front of me. Then drive up the road, the ambulance and stop and pull me. Miss one woman come out, then talk about ugly. That woman was an ugly woman, near nurse screen. And the woman style me the worst condition I can be and put me in one room by myself. When me look at dead people, me I look in pan in a fucking refrigerator through one glass. And I was 16 years old. That time I feel left my uncle place, left on there with his wife, left on the car. Me no want a problem with nobody. And the woman come back and she a problem. So at them day I make go Buff Bay, me start to have pain 6 o'clock and my son born 2:30. And he weigh 9.5 pounds. Biggest baby in the hospital. And then my sister said, did you look at him? And I said, no. And I walk my look on him. When I look on him, I realize the boy foot bend. Me have to get up out of my bed and bleed sick. I've stitched and stitched up all my vagina. I can't have to cut my vagina my bottom and pluck out my son. Couldn't come out. Me nearly dead. And get on the bus to Children's Hospital. Come off a half a tree and get one next bus. I remember when and go to Children's Hospital and get a specialist to look on the boy foot right away and just born one day. And then take him foot and take it and bend him look a foot and him cry like he never hear before. And hold it and take plaster polish and polish it and set into work. And toe is touching him heel, bend right around. He wouldn't be able to wear no shoes. His toe is touching him heel. That means my foot is bent right there in. Right there, so bend in the in part of the side. So I have to set the toe and set it back straight. Because I jump out of a tree, try to kill myself. When I'm pregnant, I never want to go through the problem. I go through any kind of stuff. I never feel like I'm ready for it. I didn't know what was wrong with me. I didn't know what I want to do. My life was like in channels. Nobody loved me. Nobody cared. I mean, a big gut in front of me. And I'm 16. Uneducated. Don't know what my life going to fucking be. Alright? You understand me, goodie? I love y'all too, because I know y'all stand by. I know y'all have real problem in your life with family and everybody and fucking friends. But my true thing is to look to God. But if I go look to God, I look to God real. I can't look to God fake. Brother come out and tell people, yeah, me there with woman, there with man. And I not know she I tell you no. Me a girl no lie. Me have to keep secret. Me do something one time or one time me will talk. Because I don't like to be a liar. So when she attack like that, I'm not telling her nothing new. But she just don't know that me on here. That's the problem. She don't know. She don't know the world I hear what she had do to me, what she always do to me. She don't know that. That's why none of her kids not around her. You understand me? And she tell lies too. To make problem between her kids. Them say that one they say and one they say and tell people a lie. You understand me? So that was the situation with that. And me day up there, me have my son, me fix him foot at town, me come back on the bus. My sister demand that me should stay with her. Back up, they know me have the baby done. The man calm down, I guess. Think the man would have change. Me go back there, me did around my sister help me up. Me just have young baby, never know hold the baby. Me sit down there one day when me look, me see my brother named Dana come. He might come and he start to sob. Me used to have a friend named Chrissy. She live next door. She used to eat her mama ice cream, put in her panty front on her vagina. Can't come get me across the fence. She was my best friend. She know I didn't have it. She showed me love with teeth and teeth rice and cook and milk can, like a small milk can, I don't know if we can get. And she up on cocoa leaf near my catch bud. My friend. When me look, me see my brother come here, me young baby in my hand. Cause Chrissy call me. And she said, what, yes, you're pregnant, man. Where them? I say, yeah. And sitting. And me say, yeah, like, me go in the hospital. And me don't remember how me get the call, how she get to reach me. But me say, yeah, me in the hospital. And she say, no more, I go look for you. And she come look for me. Cause for her mama and papa, my mother say, so right enough, up your panar. So she and the mama and papa and my mama no chat. But the girl love me and me love the girl. So the girl come look for me now, but when she look at my hand, she say, I go watch for my hand. That is when my grandfather give me, because I was taking care of my grandmother who died. So me have the goal watch, and she said she like the watch, and she got a tone pan a chip and she want to borrow it. So me lend Chrissy it. So when me up there the day with the baby in my hand and see my brother come and serve him, say Chrissy dead. Me say, what? He said, yeah, Chrissy got a tone pan a trip. And a boy come and touch her up at the big tenant yard, and she said, boy, kiss me ass, and the boy go for a pump rifle, come back and shoot out her brain. Put her on the radio. Me and my baby in my hand start to shake. When me hear Natasha Taylor was shot and killed. Natasha Taylor was shot and killed. Me nearly dead with my baby in my hand. Goody, it hurt me till now. I'm a friend. The boy take a pump rifle and shoot out the whole of my friend's brain. She was only 14 when she died. Beautiful young girl. And that was it. Me couldn't, they have to have a close face, she have no face, everything mash up. Me didn't even go at the funeral. Me couldn't see my friend like that on a cemetery. Be right on a cemetery. Me have a young babe, she be right on a cemetery. Me still remember her today the way she is. Me can't remember like that. Young baby me have could even walk good. And after they are town and come at the baby a ball like hell after a while. Me saw the baby a ball tremendously. Me have to get one little axe blade. Because the appointment then give me to come back. I like a boy foot then look black like fire cooler turn black. Through the cast, me want to walk to my son. Me and my sister have to sit down and she help me sight with axe blade, take time and walk me up and take out the little foot. When they take out the foot, the man put it so tight in blood, need to circulate good. The foot start to come in like fish skin. When they do some skin, come off like when you cook fish. Look a baby ball, man. We have to dress it and powder it and fix it up and keep it, but me never carry him back since. Me say straight enough now, he can't wear shoes. Me not carry him back no more. And him good. And I saw, me make sure my son taken care of. And when me dey up a country and the man see me pussy get hard now and decides, alright, a time to try fuck her again. And I saw me have to left again with my baby. That's how me have to left again with my baby. And when me left, me meet some of my cousins, them a Spanish town, me never did know. Me never did know them. And me meet some family of mine, me never did know. And me go there and me go stay over there with them. That's how the story went. To raise my son, and my father used to send the money down there, come give me, and me so buy groceries everybody can eat. Because my grandaunt never used to provide for me and my other two cousins them. Uncle for the other girl. You understand me? And me use it for buy love. And the reason why me end up after dash for one belly, because which part me was staying, my own cousin raped me. When me go party with my cousin, come with a big knife upstairs and wally on my side. And I cuss me so my son a ball because I know so my grandaunt black the all the way. You know, so if I go to a female when they push me down and rape me and give me belly. And nobody never know about that, you know how it go. And in time for go on the road, go there with one boy, because I don't go there with the boy and forget money from the boy feet. Because I'm a bad man. And I go on the road, go there with the boy, because the boy, they like me, I hold on the boy and tell my boy, you couldn't breathe so quick. And when my father send the money, come give me, me take you and go down to the doctor and give him for abortion because I want to come and foreign. I don't want my life tie up. Because the boy was having sex with me and raping me. And then I didn't know what to do about it. So what I did about it, I call him sister. I think the sister was close and tell her what's going on. And while me I bathe my son on the pipe, the boy take a big rock and bust up my blood clotted and lick me off. A stone hospital, me I come for my head bandage up. When me got the payphone and call him and say me think you're my father. And from the time he says a baby, can you help me to come else? I'm going to kill my son and kill myself. Because my son was hungry many times when I go to school, look the job in a town. When the man have me a work, I take care and twin them and then he waiting, he don't want to sit in front of me. And that's why I go to get work, so I could even take care of my son. And all that was happening. So I take the money and go down to the man. My man said to me, say, alright then. I say, I've been raped by my cousin. And he bust up my head. And me going to kill my own son and kill myself because I'm going to leave my son behind for suffer 2 things ago. The man said, no, don't do that. Him going to help me. And the man send me some money. Me never tell him, say the boy breed me. And me take it and go to the abortion clinic around the corner because the man said him going to help me. Because the man bust up me head because me tell the girl, say, don't tell him nothing. But me and nobody if you talk to him. Me and I was close. Me and I got every party together, everything. So me have to tell her off your brother. But she go back and tell him. And it nearly cost me life. So me had to go to the doctor and give him money. Forget that thing out of me. And the man take it out of me raw, no anesthesia. The man whoop my leg and go up in here and pluck me like a chicken raw. I never feel such pain in my life. I could have dead. And when I left the man office and left me drop down on my face on roadside. Faint. And people pick me up, I never know when. And I end up when I wake up and end up in the man place. Because I was close to the house. And I saw me come back. And by the next week, I get a letter. And the letter for me go to embassy. Me left over there. Because I couldn't take the boy no more. I tell my father where I go on. So I had to pack up my things and leave to go back to country. So I go back to country. And rent one little old house next to my sister. Because she claimed she left the man and move on to one next part of the countryside or same town. So I rent a little house right next door for some old people. One little 4-foot house. And go in the palm, I want like an old bed in there and put it in for me and my son. Rain a fall one night, so I had one big fatty like a crawl pan like a baby, throw him off. When the man hears me in the town, the boy they said the picnic never feel because my sister tell him say me that there with another man. Me never there with Ray. Ray try to rape me on the day when the girl make a chicken back for the last day. And say come on and she push me in the room and lock up here. Ray never get nothing from me. But she write the boy, she tell the boy that. So the boy despise me and think I don't feel picnic. But when the boy see the picnic, me come from town and for rent a little house and live up there. So when the boy see the picnic, the boy say, Jesus Christ, give me my son. I the dead stamp on him, everything for him. I the twin for him. And that's how I end up there, the little old house, and my papers come, and I go to embassy, and I feel. Them say, because you don't know nothing about your father. But my father send back the picture the time my mother they carry me down to me tore the tie. We made it ball off, and show them that. And at that, them look on and say, yes. And then stamp me if you come here. So me do the medical, my son do the medical, because I want to carry my son. I change my son name from Nagari Foggy to Nagari Smelly. My father said, I try to keep me as my smaller brother, but then reject it, it wouldn't happen. So me had to leave my son behind. So leaving my son, me leave my son with him, I think with his grandmother and his father. And then taking care of him right in Bible, Mrs. Foggy. And that's where my son was. And them see him one day and ask him, say, why your pants drip up solid while? He said, that's where grandma put it, leave it. You know, it's a cute little thing. And me the America here, me come, start with $4.25 an hour. Me live with my mother and my father. They only have 2 bedrooms, which is 1 small room and 1 bigger bedroom. No, 3 bedrooms, 2 size middle bedroom and 1 small one. Right on 1113 Jefferson Avenue. Like you go Nickelback and Irving up that side there. When me arrive and me come here, my mother was out, my father come and say that woman they do not like you. If she get a chance, she kill him. I said, Dad, no. Him say, yes, yes. One day my father never did my mother carry letter come and say, your father no good man, up your man, look. See you want to head here, ask your wife, head your daughter, head here, look. And me see that for true, because I can't read. But no, I don't know why. And Audrey come from England here and she said, Audrey, my father there. And then she said, my sister used to deal with my father when she had 13. And that's why my father asked me, can you fuck good too? You can't cook good one day to me. And that's what my father did fall out. Because my mother gone to Jamaica just after me come. And at that he asked me one day when I come from work. I was making $4.25 an hour at Royal Department Street and Fulton Street. My dad get me the job with the Italian them for working in one store. Because when my mother go on the bus with my mother figure out the school, she's supposed to carry me. Then tell them can't take me because my father making too much money. And me on the bus, 2 man turn to me and say, you're more thinky. And so the woman say, yeah, man. So what I'm trying to say to you is, it's crazy. So that is what basically happened. So after that happened now with everything now, I remember which part me reach or whatever, because sometimes my brain I go, but yeah. So what really happened anyway, Me left, me come here, and me there, me work at real department. That's what my father they fall out. And then my sister come and say, you ain't try to deal with her when she 13 and this and that. My mother said, that's why she lock up with her father, and I say, daddy gonna buy me new shoes and all kind of shit, and she attack. Me don't know what truth you go, me don't know nothing. That's what me hear. But anyway, after everything went down, my cousin come visit me, and me asked my cousin could I stay. And my cousin must have put on one plate and she started to argue with my cousin and carry her nasty. And my cousin said to me, say, boy, I want to see your mama coming like a bitch. So my cousin must have left and write a letter to me. Say, how you doing and so on. You know, cause that fucking witch woman there, how you do she treating you and sitting. So she must have pick up the letter then before time and see the letter and come inside and beat me and fight me. So I decide to leave, can I call the police. And she says like she not 18 where she going or whatever, she not of age. Whatever, and the police was like, something like, she can't go anywhere she want to go at mom at this age or whatever. Anyway, I decide to me that cry, I never know if I go. So I go down a full-time street to an African and they don't look me up, they don't look nobody. And I call the guy out to me and ring the bell and the guy come and say, what happened? And I said, can I just stay here until in the morning? And the guy said, sure. So the guy come out in the bedroom and go to the other African people and we pray, the Muslim them. And I'm all sleeping in the living room and give me the bedroom till morning. So I went to Royal Department store to work. I seen a girl named Joan. She's from Barbados, big up Barbados. And her name was Joan. And she was working there. And she said, you don't need to cry. I have 2 bedrooms. I can rent you 1. And your mother is a bitch. I don't like how she been with you. You know, me call her and she argue and the girl can't hear. When me call her and tell her, so me just come and take me things, the girl can't hear. She treat me. So the girl is like, no, I'm taking a cab and falling to get your shit. Fuck that. You know what I mean? That's not right. You know, you work every day, you come here, nobody is a nice person. You know, why she treating you like this? But time my father, they gone because she fight off my father in there. And my father take a club and club her because she want a bad woman. She bust up people when she young. She a bad girl. Talk much people, she floor them with bucket and bust up them with and shit. You know what I mean? A bad girl. You understand me? Yo, I'm telling you, yo, I love my mother still, but there's nothing I can do. I'm not going to stop loving her, you know, she hates me. She might not see me again, but that's the life, you know? To call me and start to class me like that, I never say nothing bad about you. You know what I mean? I never say anything bad. But I'm coming to what caused the problem today. I need to get to that fast. But I just had so much bungle up, buddy, so much. It's just so much, I'm telling you. And I saw now me end up, when me say me then now, me end up have my son, me end up come up here, me end up the Royal Department store. I work, and my father said that I never liked them, and my father fall out. Anyway, them left. Me left my father house. John come and pick me up. My father they gone here, my father they gone, my mama they there. John come and pick me up. See how she next brother alone live there. John come and pick me up. And live over John. But I never know say John like woman too. And she have some big body inside the bathroom, panties in the hang up. And a 1 room Joan did have with 2 bed pan side. And me go in one day and she have one boy named Leonard with a big hood. And the man have her down pan the ground and should be down there and she a ball, help me. I never like that, come be frightened. Because coming in this country, I never see anything like that. But as she did help me for a place, you know, I paid a little rent, but it wasn't her rooms. I see him with 2 bed panny. And she have fuck the girl and time I come and catch and the girl a suck out tongue the girl from upstairs and sitting. And me did a round Joan. And me decide say no, me going go back on my mama. Because I don't like what I see. Because I don't grow up that way. Somebody called my mother and tell her something we're going to come. And Joan come and hear me and tell my mother that. And she start to fight me. And chop out the phone card out of the wall. And start to bite me up. I couldn't get her off me like a pit bull dog. So my mother now must call 911 and give them the number. And the police then come. And later on she must come with the ambulance. And then carry me go get shot for the bite to the girl bite me and she go to jail. So I was back home with my mother. While back home with my mother as usual, me did it. And I left from Royal Department store and I start to work in Manhattan selling popcorn and soda. Did I say selling popcorn and soda at Cineplex Odeon? Yeah, I was working there making popcorn, selling soda for the movie theater and all this thing. I was 115 pounds at that time, dark skin girl. And I was working there. So after a while, I go back to I was working there. I was like, time to go again because, you know, she never changed. So me find one man that rent one room, that look room for rent, and a man rent one room right up on Lincoln Place round the corner. And you have to walk to the church to go in there. So me rent the room. And me live there. And pay me $75 a week when I go to work. Go and come when I go to work. And I go to church upstairs when church has service I keep. and so on to meet the pastor. And the pastor started to pay me $40 to pick up the collection, but he was drinking so much vodka in the back and with so much orange juice. I didn't like that. I didn't want to be participate, or whatever you want to call it, with this wickedness. A thief got money, I drink liquor. So I did not want to collect and I stopped going there. So sometimes when service I got my name, I got my business and I don't lock up, then I come and beat on the door about Bible service and all kind of shit. One time the woman gave me Bible for read, I just pass it on to somebody else. You see what I mean? And me just keep going through life, goody. While that happening, I don't even know contact with her. I know what she had there. I not talk to her or nothing. Me just out there. Working the popcorn and soda, just working. And then me have to leave from there. Me leave from there and then from the popcorn and soda. From the liquor place, me meet this guy named John Podia. John Podia had a very small penis, not my small little finger, but he was a nice guy. He had an apartment, he was an African guy, and rent out part to the African guy, and he had that part. And I was coming home from work, and I started sliding at the big hill boot, because I used to like big hill boot long time. And I used to wear a lot of high shoes. I just don't know bother with them. And I started to slide like a skate, and he said, oh my God, and he grabbed my hand and tried to save me. And he said, you live here? And I said, yes. He said, I really like you. So I live in the basement, man. He said, wow, what are you doing all the way down there? Can I see it? I said, no, let's strange at my place. He said, no, I'm African like you. I just really like you. So I show him. He said, no, man, you can't live here, so man. We have a nice apartment. Come and stay there. I mean, no problem. You can't live here. You know, it's no good. That time the man did say me have to go move anyway. Because them go fix up place and sitting. So I have another place. I want to work in my mother place. And then me take the boy up on the half and go live in place. The boy saw a small penis, couldn't do nothing, but he was cheap, but he had money work and he saved money. He was also working, but he was working at, he was the assistant manager. No, he was he know the assistant manager. He knows the assistant manager. And at the Cineplex Odeon, that's before me that worked there. And he introduced me to the man. Forget a job, but the man fall in love with me the first time the man see me. So, what happened, he want to be there with me now and go on with the antics, and me not in that, really. Me I try to save my money to get me a place. So me save up my money now, I rent me a nice little apartment with 2 bedroom and shit, right? That's up on Franklin Avenue. And decide me I go move. Because the African man they decide to kill me, say, "Mo kill me with voodoo, and go and kill me." Because me thinks I'm putting dirty food on the white couch. Coffee John Paddy I won. He never like that. You know, you fucking ugly bitch, I'm gonna voodoo you. And he carry on. And he carry on real bad. I mean, if he get scared, I say, no, I need to be here. And shit. So I look for the apartment, say, no, I get in my name, because nobody can kick me out. And you can come if you want. So John Poddy I come, but by the time the guy was really getting more interested in me, I get interested with the guy. So what happened now, I work, one time I work with the manager, and the manager make me into assistant manager. So while the manager make me to him become the manager, he make me to the assistant manager. Me decide, say, well, me I go see him because me like him. So instead, can me go to my house go sleep. So sometimes I come back to my apartment. So John Poddy alone sleeping there. So John Poddy take a knife to go stab me in my neck. And I have to call the police. You understand me? And that's how me end up. The boy, one night, one of my cousin part of sleep time, but I come in. And I work the same place, I become the assistant manager. So I over all the bitches, I work in Cineplex, and where I meet Van Dan in person, and I've meet Wesley Slipe. He said, girl, you look good enough to be in a movie. And like I said, I was 115 pounds with a nice gown, red gown, long split up to my leg, with my nice little red shoes, red carpet, and I'm standing there just giving out the booklet. When they do the movie at that time, they're doing premiere. Regular people doesn't come to the movie at that time because it's too expensive. You're going to come sometime, you're going to pay all 10,000 just for your seat. You cannot be here because you're amongst only celebrity that makes the movie. They are coming to see themselves in the movie for the first time. They're going to run it and scream. So that's why they're there. That's why they come in all this excited red carpet, sitting up, excited clothes and sitting them. Things we never see big rich people and they're very cocky. You know, I'm airing out the booklet and all the girls are serving popcorn and soda. Your shirt got to be clean. Everything got to be right. Your tie. You know, everything got to be very right that day, even if you're not right nowadays. So I was just giving out the booklet. That's why I meet Wesley Slight in person, Van Dan, and so on, a couple more people. And so on while I was working there. So when I was working there, now, John Poddy, I now decide when I have to tell police and me, must say, do something when the police come. When the police didn't come and knock me in there asleep, I never know where I go, and my cousin woke me up. The police them say me asleep and wake up and me say what? Then tell me say, you know, they call him back again, they're gonna come and arrest him. So I wait till me go work one day. And him thief all the video them with me young and a dance show me and my cousin and I can sit there have the video and him take all him sitting there, he move out and gone. Not even bed, me never have to sleep and the boy take everything in the place and gone. But me never worry because me just buy back new things and put in there. Me buy back new things and put in there and my cousin did live there. Live there for a while. Until what it happened, my cousin live there for a while. Me move from this, so I think me move this from this and where me go. Me don't remember where me go. But me end up, somehow I think I end up in my mother's house. Me don't know how why, but me always go back home to my mother. Me end up back there. Somewhere there, to be honest, remember, because at that time when me went back, long after me I was the name the day. Yes, me went back. And I was working at 86th Street. Me get transferred to 86th Street. And I was working at 86th Street now. When I was working at 86th Street now, one day, midday, and it was like 12 o'clock. I said that my mother house come to here for my other sister. They still there at Jamaica, them time they never come up yet. And I work at 86th Street. And while me I work over there now, I stand up and it's like me see a big snake just curl up in the can and it's something water and put the coin, which was kind of crazy. And I could never forget because it was so frightening. But anyway, after that, me get a phone call and my sister call and say, him dead. And me I say, who dead? He said, Dan dead. That time my brother, when me tell you, they put on in dinner and sitting. And so, him dead, him crash off and bike at Jamaica and dead. He was 26. So she said, him dead. He said, Jesus Christ, him dead. And I saw me remember good to me at my mother's house. Me know me end up back there. But she was going to Jamaica. And I said to her, Ma, I was helping her packing. Why are you putting all black and white in your suitcase at this time? She said, because I feel like black and white. Me don't know why. Me turned to her and said, you know what me dream last night? She said, no. Me said, me dream sit down in a one casket in the backyard. You know, like when they make cement at one spot and left one brown spot of cement there, the casket lay down right on that. The ground full of cement and in one white tuxedo. She said, no, why you must think about your brother like that? I said, you know, like him. I said, Mama, that me dream. She went to Jamaica and she get on a bike. She decided she's going to take my son. My brother said, Ma, your grandpitney too. So she and my brother must go up on my brother big bike, ride go by Brook and pick up my son from his grandmother's house. When me left him with his grandmother and father. Bring him back to St. Margaret's Bay. And to make him stay there. At that time when he left and tell her 7 o'clock he soon come back. 7 o'clock he might come back and crash and dead. My son was there. And my little sister named Nadine used to take care of my son. And I said, send money for my son. Nadine take care of my son and she take care of my son lovely. She teach him how to cook. She make sure him go to school. And she did a damn good job. And she was one of my favorite. Right? And then my son did it for a while. Until me said, no. My next brother come and beat my son. People take advantage of my son. My son maga down. I couldn't deal with that. So I had to send back my son to go back. Because his mother, the father, and the grandmother moved from Bybrook. Now they moved down in Buff Bay. So, I remember my son, somebody pick up my son how he went, but my son went back down there. And he was now living back with his rightful grandmother and his father again, as him getting bigger. And my grandmother used to say, the boy, I know listening up there with him friend and late up night up the road, this one, I go to exam, my son go and pass, come out in Jamaica newspaper. His grandmother was proud of him. But she have diabetes, that was his father, mother. And she died. When I went down there the last time, they invite me to stay and I cook food with them and we sit down and eat. The father, the mother, and them son. Never know the last time I go see the father, the mother, and the son. Never know. So while me have my mother and want to go to my brother, or whatever, at that time my sister went for a waitress job downtown by the Italian them, by the bridge. And she go down there to get a waitress. So I go down there to go get 1, 2 carry pay, better get the tip more when I work in a popcorn and soda. But I go down there and say, no, we don't have no more, but what we can do, we can use as a dancer. So I say, I do not to do them something there, sir. The man put up my big afro here, and the woman put flowers and put on lipstick for me. And put me in some boot, and my foot a waggle 2 sides and put me on stage. I feel so shame, I never know what to do with my breast. Them did suck out so dry and look like a 100-year-old woman. Or my breastfeed my son a Spanish tongue, I never have food for him. So it dry up, so I want my chest look bad for a young girl. It look really nasty. And I never want my chest to look so. That was a thing that make me have low self-esteem. I feel really bad about myself because I just look real nasty. I walk my chest, my breast just really sag down to nothing. Like a 90-year-old woman. Try up. You understand me? And I say, I'm up on the stage and I say, take it off, but I tie up the top tight. I not take off nothing. And I dance with my G-string and the first time I make $1,600 US in a one night. I say, all right, I go back. And I start to buy nice things. And I start to go back and I get addicted to the money. And then I start to try to drink liquor because I never used to drink. And then I did it for a while because I find a lot of money when you come in. If you pay a period you can't come, you still find it for every day. Like $300-400 for every day you don't show up, you have to pay $400. Because they know you make a lot of money when you come in. Some days I was making $4,000, $5,000 a night. One night, so I could have spent and buy anything I want. So while I was doing that, I head on. And I move on to other places. Because I didn't want one of them final restrictions. I feel like I could have danced, with me a pro. And I start to drink more than I get into problem with junks, cocaine, and ecstasy. And then I start to melt away. When I start to melt away, somebody go tell my mother she that for my business. Fucking girl a dirty one crackhead. And that my mother said she never come to try to find me and look for me and see how me doing. Don't want to see why I was broken. But me decide, say, you know what, no matter what happened, I am not going to go down like this because my son who wants me and love me. And that would be painful for his son. My son come and live a life. After I'm been in Jamaica and being a good kid and go to school, him deserve a good mother. So whatever it is not right, me have to drop it. Straight up a fucking life under Jesus Christ. And girl, I start to pray. And I dropped the guy. Me the guy they broke up. Me and him the left kind of womanizer. Me and him did left and the woman come and cuss me while in the pant up and the woman busting in the room and him whining at me. And the woman a cuss. While the boy a quiet for come. And turn up and watch him and grind me and I say, when you sleep with dirty nigga, you wake up late from the movie theater and you was disrespectful and brother. So me left him out. So me and him never there no more. And me continue on. That's why the woman say me have skull in my belly but me no business. Me continue on. When in a 1995, them time I meet the boy from Long Island. And me and the boy that go good, me and Kevin McCoy. And me and the boy I go and put ring on my finger saying one for married one have an next man and I was breathing for the boy, yes. But when me realize and the boy and confronting the boy try to fight me off and put socks down my throat to tap my breath. And me say no, me not 6 weeks pregnant. When me go and say no, you have to be 6 weeks for you to get the shot. And me go back and take the shot. I don't want to talk about. Because I don't want me have my life certain way with nobody who lie and breed up other woman and come to me and sit down with them. I didn't see my life that way. So me decide say, you know what? Me not go date nobody. I have no pitney. And all they sitting there, me gonna cut it right there and then. Me not in the breeding thing and that use a condom. Me not in it because me not use birth control. And if you date somebody, might use condom because they're not fucking good anyway. Because me never had look fit sex in that way. Me just going through life and just keep going. You understand me? And while me go, me one boy named Carl the day. And the boy try to feed me. Me chop the boy. Because the boy tell the boy beat me. Police come and lock me up downtown. The woman never come and call and say, Mom, you get arrested. The woman never come and do nothing. Me get arrested till they let me out and me come out. And I couldn't go back to go live. And I my place. You understand me? And I still go back and hustle $2,000 and get the boy for rent. And next place think me go live with him. And make him brother move in with him. Me could have come there and see him. So me never have no way me end up back at my mama place again back in the back room. Because me come out of jail. For the couple of days me lock up in there. And me nah know where to go. My sister give me one suit of clothes. Me can't go. Me have other protection. The boy take time call me to come over there. Me feel glad and go over there. Give him look at crutches. And the girl when the fuck same person me live call police. Me have jump off and hood and run. When he come out to the landlord all them pants foot stiff up same way me have to run. Me no want to go jail. You understand me? And I saw the boy come over there. He come a direct TV sitting in care come. And I look friend because I want me know my Steve cover them. I go tell my sister go tell my mama. I mean they want she know my sister kitchen because can you dirty girl yeah VH this and that all them sitting she tell me nothing never go so. That was me much younger. Surprise she never called me that a while ago. Surprise. You understand me? Because she can't say me have any disease and me come to her shut about when they drink liquor. Yeah, so everybody knows you don't drink liquor, you scratch up your liver, them call it, what kind of cirrhosis, women cirrhosis of the liver. My next sister walk and tell people on Facebook she this and she that, and you know she just scratch up her liver. It's not a fucking disease, just scratch up her liver. Then they couldn't give me medication, that's why. Can you see your liver can't build back, so what she talk about? All that woman take a course and tell me today. Eh? So anyway, I saw my life go on. And my brother come now and he want go on bad like in the Jamaica same way. The one who get stabbed up and then shot him up and the baby mother they burn up in a fire. And he tita at him and I go me did it. Me get up early morning, see him in a pain and carry him to Kings County, go wait and full out farm fee. Alright? I'm telling him to give him some Percocet, coming up Percocet strong, I think give him for the breast when we get the breast in surgery. Fees a pain, kind of bad pain in it now. So that's before then can go pull out the piece of left in the gum. And I did all that pay out of my pocket for the woman. And the boy, see the boy come there to me and I push the boy for the step. Man, you come off your brain and chuck the boy and I carry him. I say, yo, I make him come too. When me jump in I want call him. So I take that ras, back him ras. So I end up a fight me. So when the woman come in here now, she pressurizing him so much. The fucking woman say me I call police, left my place. I will grab my fucking things and run. Police are come for me for you. The woman come in here, the store, the woman that's fucking love me. Yeah. I call one boy, I say, no, some of the money can't help me out. But $100 the boy say, yeah, come pick me up. Can me go Port Authority? But me have to jump on me call one club in a Connecticut. Well, so I pay $20 a day for me in a hotel, me can pay the rest. Because $40 a day. So I say, that's how way me can live. Me can pay $20 a day for live. Me good. Me have someone for live. So me go on the bus, the Greyhound bus, and go right to New Britain and come off. Take a taxi to the club. When me get to the manager, say, no, it's too late. But tell you what, since you come in France so far, me still pay a fee for tonight. Me thank God $100 alone me have. And by me pay the taxi and get over there, me think me have something like 40 left in my hand. So me call the woman and my heart was grieving and say, ma, you know me out of nowhere in Connecticut. Come to a strip trying, come to somewhere to try to pay the hotel and so coming nowhere. That's your business. I don't like it. I don't like a father and I don't like a sister. And I like, no. What you want from me, dirty girl? What you want? I have to hang up the fucking phone crying. Go back to the hotel, me start work up on the strip club. White boy start supplying with the ecstasy. Me start taking little to ease my pain. The time I done get Jamaica, I meet the boy at Jamaica already. Go back down the 1999. Go back down the, yeah. Buy one car. Have money. She called me and tell me she want a piece of money. Build up her house. Me tell her no. Me look at money me get where Jay give me on my own. And she come over here. We set dining table. Jay's father was alive. And she come here, dress up, come here, she think the man want her. Dress up, come here, can know, say Jay take care of me. She sit down on the table, she started to criticize the wig that you have on. She was a cut off your ear and her head tan. Oh, yeah, tan, take off and make me see it. Jay's father turned on to tell her, said, she's the daughter I never had. And we are quite satisfied with her. Thank you, Mr. Dubin. That's what he says to me. He say, I want you to be happy. And him tell Jay, take care of her, give her anything she wants. Him buy me the breast. And that's why he's here for me today. I'm not stop care about him no matter how it goes. We've been friends for years, since I was 21. I moved here, I was living here cooking oxtail so Dad can get rice. Anything he wants, he likes it. Take Jay to Jamaica a couple times with Followed and I left. Go back to Connecticut again. Because I go hook up with this fucking Jamaican guy. It was a problem. And the guy was a thief. He never liked that. So he was mad. He had a reason to mad. So I left, go Connecticut. And the fucking boy thief out all of my money at the bank. Fucking a fuck woman on my belly take to my head now. I getting skinny and skinny. I stop eat food to me become like 75 pounds. I start to lose my mind. Italian boy will help me. So you don't have to stay at the hotel because I follow some friend. I take rider come home and I hook up with some guys who look like some killers. And I never want me nothing to do with the drugs. I don't drink no and I try to stay because things was bad. And I ask if I want more pill and I say no. And then come at the hotel and the boy come in my room forcefully and I want to leave. And it's like he out to kill me. I can't see something on him I never see before. I want to escape. So I have to tell him that I have to make a call and I have to go and call the guy. And tell the guy to just come no and get me quick. But he didn't know the guy was coming. Yeah, come and tell him, so I have to make a call, I have to get some stuff. And he never know the guy was coming. The guy come, just run right to the hotel. I make all my clothes I have inside. I like so much, I have to run left them. I'm going to stay at the guy's place, because I never want to get killed. And the guy have me staying there for a while and give me something like $10,000. I decide to go to Jamaica, I'm Italian, in New Britain. Yeah. I decide to go to Jamaica and find out what's going on with the man. I go to out them say the house empty and then my son, there's somebody else and I can sit and my money gone. Whatever I know. So when I go down there, it's true. The things was back in the house, but all my bank account was empty. I had enough money to buy a house, property. That's what I have it in the bank for, but I do a joint account with a guy that I claim that love me, and he empty it all out. Send him sister them to college and open a big supermarket system with his mother. I also have a big Bible that costs a couple $100, maybe like $1,000 and more for the Bible. Jay had bought it for me because you know I love the Bible, even though I was a dancer. And it was very big printed, but it was very, very big. And he took it that he was going to lend it to his mom, because his mom is Muslim, has gone to him in St. Mary, and he never bring it back. I never get it back. A couple of days I was crying over it. It was a great piece that he gave to me. I wish I had it now. But that's life. That's just life. You know, it's life, goodie. I'm going to put myself together just now and come back and talk to you guys. But like I said, that's how it went. And I end up, when I used to dance in the club, she knows. I went to the village to pierce my nipple. And she came down to the club with a Bible. And she said, why you have a nipple pierce? I go down 6 foot under. And she make up nice. But at the same time, she borrowed some $1 them to go help my brother. She know what I was doing. You understand me? When the Jamaican guy was talking, and me was back and forth with the guy. And after me go Connecticut go stay, me stay up, me went to Jamaica. And went to Jamaica almost 75 pounds. When the Jamaican guy come pick me, I couldn't walk. Go to come out of the airport, me have flip-flop and some children department clothes. And me go to Jamaica and keep me down there and feed me and try to fat me up instead my money last. Fat me up, me looking much better when me come there. Run over the hill of morning time, make me strong again. It was time for me to come back to America clean and did good. You understand? But instead all my money was gone, I keep drinking until I almost died. And I said, you know what? The guy beat me and he tried to cut off my neck. I got to run in somebody's house when he realized my bank account was empty. And he come up in somebody's house to kill me, the people in the house. And when me run and she said, I'm going to kill me, I lock the machete. And when me lock the machete for me, and he cut me this, so. You see it right there? Right there, yeah, where the heart stop. Right there, yeah. So I bleach it out. See how they can't see it now. But that's where the machete, I have to lock the machete on my arm to stop him from cutting off my neck. After him rob me and have girl all boat and me car all boat, I drive up and girl all boat. And after me run, I have to sleep in the police station with my son and Negril. I go up on the capture and me rent a little place with my friend, so they might chop up anybody come where they come fuck with me. And I stay there like I left to Spanish Town. And I left from Spanish Town because I take it run up, I never have no money for myself back America. And I go to Spanish Town and up and down and try to get the go-go club them out there. For make back money to get my plane ticket for come out. And that's why I grow on the place when I put foreign money like your US. And when I grow on, if I go dance, to get my ticket for come back up, my liver collapse. Because God strike me. And I couldn't walk, and I couldn't talk, and I nearly dead. Them say you need a liver and a kidney transplant to live. Alcohol destroy you. But when I come to America, I did it for a while and she sent some money. Because my brother said, send the money. Because she said, yes, she go send it. For the ticket, because better than the casket, because she go bury me to cost more. That's the only reason why she go send it. Because sending the money for me come up is cheaper than burying me down there. So she sent the boy come with the ticket. When he come, he take my stove, my brand new stove. He take my fridge, he take my 2 bed them. He take whole heap of things, my cylinder. He take all of them, and the big me and my camera cost about $2,000 US. Never get nothing back. Our son, the one not on the way she said, take it in front of Ran Ray. Never get nothing back. But I'm glad to come back in America and rush to the doctor. I start to go to church fasting and do all other things. When I come back here, the man say, you don't need no help. Ma'am, your liver is scotch, but it's building back on its own. Just stay away from alcohol and all these things. And that's why they couldn't give me the medication fee, because it wasn't a disease. You understand me? So now I come back, me there at the house now. And me and the woman with our ways, and so me always did it fear. This one I said this, I want to up a gas up in the house all about the fucking place. Me and my little brother and my little sister used to smoke weed. Try to go up there and smoke weed on the roof. Sometimes we play a game in the back. My little brother go in the basement and he set up one studio. And me go and sing with it sitting on my ears. Because he said, one day, sister, you can be a star. You can write music. So my little brother used to try to get me to do it. And do him own like a thing in the basement. We used to do that. Until she decided to get rid of the house, whatever. I never did it no more. Me left, because I'm a rolling stone. That me say, from when I go Connecticut, I did it so. And what happened, me go Jamaica, me come back, me go Connecticut again. And then the man said to me, say, you know what, me make me ticket in a Spanish town. Because she said he can't give me. Say it's better than when me dead. So me end up now, come up and pitch off again, go back to Connecticut again. And the same guy will rob me start to contact me and say, I'm in England now. Because I called on Jamaica to my cousin ex-boyfriend. When he down there, and I saw me get the number if he call me in America now. And he came back and saying sorry, everything happened, but in there England. And he want to make it right. He said, me have the magazine we in because I was in Blacktail magazine May 2000. And I also was in Black Beauty magazine. And all this. And my mother know there was nude magazine. She know it was nude magazine that I am. But I don't hide anything that I do. Because he was helping me with the money. And at the time I had my other apartment, just as I came by Jay and all this stuff. So by the time I came by Jay, the magazine was out. That time I didn't get the breast implant yet. And I was trying to make money to fix myself. But I didn't know I was going to get it from what's her name yet. I was trying to make it myself. And I saw the canvas, and I saw it. My sister, she's very ambitious, and she went to college, and all these things. You know, she's a very ambitious girl. My other sister, all of them is ambitious that I know. But sometimes my sister Trisha don't get along, and I think my mother have a lot to do with it. She tell the girl to say a lot of things, and then she come and chat the girl. That's why Trisha says she not good. You understand me? See what Trisha talk about now, really? Bolo. She talk all and sit she get a talk bad about you and she said that. And then when me come and cuss on Facebook, now the girl get mad because and say he's no good woman. You're trying to mash up everybody's life. So the girl talk about that. So what the girl is talking about. And she make my sister them not talk. She, me tell you, she, me tell you, it's a problem. That's what my brother said the head of the river can't clean, then the whole Irel stream can't clean. That's what my brother always tell her. You see me dog? But you have everything, you have everything. But still a run down, we don't need for run down. We are in a project apartment. Anyway, I saw that went. I decided to make a couple $1,000. I went to England. So I take a flight to England to go meet the same Jamaican guy. Guy apologized and he said I'm working back and I'm doing good and he want to make things right. Come. Bam, I reach England in the airport. Bam, them locked me up. Search for drugs and couldn't find none. Then send back the next day to come back to America. Come back a Flatbush Avenue, bomb, because I married and my husband was in prison. I married him in Rikers Island, the American boy, because my mom did live with him. Because I meet in one strip club on Queens Avenue, where I never have nobody. Because I left my mama house and live with my cousin, and my cousin boyfriend there jail and come out and then I find somewhere to go. So I end up over there, and the boy have take care of me and help me secure me on the road amongst people and shit. Like a bodyguard and take care of me there with him. And live with him and he end up go jail. I asked if I married him, but to me live around him, mama place same way. His family push me and I go ahead and do it because I'm young. So him was in prison. I couldn't continue going to fish kill, downstate prison and up and bus and go get a man pussy in a bus in a fucking prison. He want me come to conjugal visit. I said no, I can't go so far. So I tap go. So in Bex. So me didn't need a chat all this time. I come back now down to Flatbush the night when I come back from England on the road. And somebody tell me where she moved to with her husband. Because even though she smoke crack, she come good sometime and her husband take care of her, so she was a good home. So then let me in, I was glad to see me. And so on. And the next morning, the boy call and say, he might come out of prison next week. And he want me to go look for him, please. And me go because I catch there. I catch it till I find my room around the corner, I go look for him. I rent one little room around the corner, so I look apartment, I can't get no, but I got enough money for me. Rent one little room for my man, I know the man smoke crack. But anyway, me have next time, I rent room around there. And when I find out when I come from prison, the boy call me a fucking girl. And I fuck the girl and I tell me, say, nobody come at the party, bitch, and this and that and cuss me. So I stay to myself. That's how my life was. Him couldn't breed me because he get shut up and he couldn't breed nobody. That's why I know so the people when you see a film with the girl and of him. But I'm not busy in people business in mind because I don't want him. And that's how the whole story went with that. When I end up at this now and rent the room, I left back from renting the room by Flatbush there. And when I end up after that, I think I end up back at my mother's house again. Yes, I end up at my mother's house again. And I have money. And my sister decided to help me to go find a place to rent. So she follow me and me rent a place on Shepherd Avenue. We have one nice big room upstairs. And that's at the time I get more eye and more eye. And I live by myself. You understand me? And that's so it went until God helped me. And I clean up myself, I go Jamaica, I clean up myself, and I get out of that. And when me come back America, me live a collapse. And me there, me come back better. Me decide to start walk with God. And me start walk with God and pray. My life start to change. Me start last, me no feel no liquor, me no feel for no clubbing. And me just start to live a simple life. And me pray more after everything me go through. And while me I go through that and I pray more. And so me end up now. What long a Fulton Street, me rent one room a Fulton Street. Me rent a room a Fulton Street and Franklin there. Right upstairs. Some of the boy want some gun boy and shit. One of them that look me one pay in the mind and he shoot the gun right next to my foot on the ground. But one day me I walk out of there. Coming in want be in the club business. And I want to live clean with God. But the only way for me to pay the little rent for the room of a dance. So one woman used to do private dance in her house. Where she have a couple of money make money come watch a man dance and make me work fair. And 2 more girls. Sometimes I make 1,500 a night. Because I look good and the band them rich come in her house. She keep it down low. And I never comfortable do it. Because sometimes I don't want to go. And I still have to go. It's like a burden. Figure it up and go. Just because I have to pay the rent. It's a burden. Because I'm not into that. It's a burden. Sometimes my chest burn me. I really care when people talk about me because I'm an open book. I'm a person. Everybody make mistakes, everybody live them life, but who are willing to come out and be themselves, me. So nothing really surprise me what people want to do to me. You know, Goody? Really, because I love people and we all are human beings and nobody not perfect. And anyone on the think not perfect, tell me so. Tell me so. But me like to be real. And if me dead more and dead real. Me just a pain me, you know. Real. You understand me? Basically, that's how me end up. And me bounce into an old man. And me say, sorry, sir. And him say, don't be sorry. You're a nice looking girl. Me say, go and take me little exercise and me exercise a lot. To burn out all the pain out of my mind. So me do a lot of push-up, a lot of squats, a lot of weights. So I had a fine body. Because I tell myself that I got to help, I got to look good at least I ain't got the money. And if I want to be famous, I got to take care of myself. Phone a ring, hold on. No. Another phone, and the next something there. Next phone. And I saw me stay up on the body. And the man come and left $50 for me one day. To the man who sell cigarette, like an old man. The man come to me and say, look, old man left $50 for your name, George. Him said to give you buy lunch. And I say, oh, God knows, so I really want $50. God, me the old man $50. I just bounce the man like me and come out there. And I say, hi and so on to the man. And one day I stop and I see the man for 3 days. And the man sell cigarettes. Say, yeah, idiot, grow on there. And go talk to the man. Man have no pity, man have big house to take care of the fucking man. Yeah, Jamaican, yeah, bobo the fool. Y'all grow on there, rain a fall, take umbrella, go and go see the man, alright. Man have one crackhead girl on there bleeding out, never take care of him, because the man skin scaly. So me go on there. And ring the bell, the man come out. Me say, hi, Mr. George. Old man. About, about 75, I go 80. I say, hi, Mr. George. And he said, come on in, darling, come on in. And him come on. And then he said to me, warm to the phone. He said to the girl, why you do that, man? You keep plugging up my phone. Why you do it, man? Because I'm a Jamaican and Jamaican and Cuban. Why you do it, man? To the girl. The girl was a pretty girl to but just smoke crack. And so on. So him come and talk to me and he came upstairs and he show me his own house. When I go up on the first floor, I come up the step. I see one nice little apartment, studio apartment in there. Living room, like a bathroom. It's just really nice. I said, Jesus, God, nobody never use it. Whole all sitting pack up in there. And the man showed me, said, this is my wife. You see, this is like a guest room and sitting and all kind of something. And so on, I say, yeah. That time I pay for the room, I don't know when I go, what gonna happen to me. And I saw me end up. The man talk and so me end up go back around and gone. When me go up on my knee in the room, as God take my life if my line, me go down on my knee. Me say, Father God, if I could only get that little place for the man have the thing, then pack up in that would have done me well. Because when everything are going, so people I get killed out the road, I rob people, I come in with gun, man I joke gun on my side, all kind of shit happen to me. I need to get something. I mean, I afford the money for pay you sometime, and then I don't know where me I go. And I saw now, I pray and say, God help me, could I get that? I call the man. I say, how much for that little place? Are you renting it? He said, no man, I'm not renting it, man. So my wife used to use it and thing. Me say, if you know nobody I rent anything, let me know. Him say, alright. How you doing? You alright? You need anything? Me say, no, sir. He said, man, I want to give you $50, man. Oh, you mean you're alright? Come, man, come outside. And he give it to me. So go and go buy food. And the next morning, I wake up, the phone is ringing. And I say, hello. I say, yes, it's me, George, man. Come here, I want to show you something, man. Come. And I go on there. He walk me upstairs and he open the door. And him say, yes, this is yours. I say, what, sir? Him say, this is yours. I say, how much? Him say, no, man, me don't want the money, man. That are yours. I say, what? I said, that means I can't clean up and now and move now. Him said, right now if you want, here's the key. And goody, I started to take out them thing. Pay some cracker 12 to cost and the whole sitting and paint up in a bright pink like this. The color me have over here, so. And clean out. Me has a clean out place and fix it up nice. And living there for a while, taking care of him. I help, you know. I put water in the boil. I take out the garbage. I cook food. I make sure my skin look healed. I love my skin, take care of me and the kids. And then one woman come there ball. She was the power attorney who live in her husband. Because fear mama and him used today. She thinks she can sign up everything and take everything with the man have power attorney. And then I take care of the man. So she begs through me the day and live there free. Then take time till I can go court and push me out. Walk all over upon me. And when the man call me, I say, you know what, I don't want a problem because I'm that safe. So I rent one apartment for $9.50 a month over upon Dickmas Park. And live there for a while. The Jehovah witness to wickedness woman. Rob me much money the time the house in a foreclosure when I show them where they upon live over there. You see what I mean? You understand me? And I saw over there for a while and one woman said to me, say, no, the house no good to an Indian woman. Say, no, the woman there's a wicked woman. That's where you live. Because I was being nice to people. I was a chat to people, meet a neighborhood, me make friend, you know that. She said, no, woman is no good. Woman bad man and she wicked, but she has a wickedness. She wicked. And the woman I tell me, I said, woman, don't get no more money. Because my son-in-law planning to buy the house you're in. We just buy the 1 year rent, one girl in the basement, then she can't nobody come because we watch her. The woman serious, Dickmas Park where rich people live. And the woman said, my son-in-law about to buy the house you're in. The house don't belong to that woman, the bank have it now. And I told me I have to find a place to move. And when I move from them, I move here in this house. I live here for a while and I rent one of the room from Jay for $500 a month, and I pay him every single month. Something had went wrong and we fall out. I left again. I moved to Utica because my son was coming. And I can't have one room anyway. And I rent 2 rooms with kitchen and bath in a Utica. Right on the Pandine Street. From the African them. The one was so them wicked because it's sugar daddy. When they have, when we meet after him, introduce me kind of work for the church, man. And rent the place was no good with no window to out a door or nothing at all. Sometimes you burn up in if you put the air conditioner and passes which you know go outside. And then come in here and thief me, sit to ship and thief me green car, thief me sitting them. Me and my son they look for a while, they end up go court. Because I tell him, so I don't pay no more money. I give him back $1,000 for my machine. I'm exercising machine, I do my abs and sit me have enough machine and mash up, grow sitting like ear pan them green, and kind of Junju and sitting and grow. So I end up I fell left there so. And stick with the Vinci guy, me just meet down pan the corner there. Ask me could I stay with him like a while. Rent a room for my son, so my son will not do and stay with the boy and go to one room I could get for rent and afford at the time. And then my son, uncle and the aunt said, no, sir, come for my son. And my brother picking up my brother dead. And the boy had the state stamp and he said, no, because remember say him, the uncle help bring him come here by put up him house in the Bronx. Because my son and his father look dead stamp, so the father dead. So them kill my son father, yesterday chop him in the head and kill him. One man chop him in the head and kill him and the man have fuss. So true that they help me with my son. That's why my son still have an apartment with them today. I buy my son a car. My son go to school and finish up and him doing good. As an educated young man. Him not bring no shame to none of them in America, yeah. That's why them love him so. I mean, I have the burden or anything to take care of that just to take care of myself. So meantime, I buy the Vinci guy house. I decide to make the best of it. And people find me funny and start to request video. Make funny video, you make us laugh. I never have no intention to be on social media because I didn't even know what it was. I didn't even interested. But one time I was watching Tara Banks. And they had this thing that says YouTube coming, you can do a shot and put it on there. And if you're good singing, you can become famous. I say, I wish I know how to do that. So when I got a phone, I went on it and I said YouTube. So I pressed YouTube.
I sing a song and I press it to YouTube thinking with a post, but I didn't know that I have to have a YouTube account. Because I said that I want to be a star. It's something I want to do, write music. I love music, you know. But through all my tribulation trial, I didn't bother with it, and so on. So I didn't know what to do, and after I leave at the place, now with the man there, I live over there, so I come back now. God said to me, say, no, because I start selling cream from I was living here with my file for my son, that's how I get money to help me out, because I was selling cream long time years ago. So when I was living here and live at Dickmoss Park, I was still selling cream then for help pay my rent and help. I was doing the business long time, I don't know. So I continue doing the cream, and so because I eat my liver off and now since I start doing the cream. Because when I come a full time I live by the old man, I meet the African woman. And so I get the remedy how to make cream and stuff. Because she was my friend. So I pick it up because I need to have something. So one day her daughter make mistake and give me some of the recipe them. When I go buy, she take up the real things them and give me. And I come home with it and make my own. And she want to know what I'm using. I said the same thing I get from you. And I get it online to order. I go and hunt it where I could find it and make it and make my own product today. So I was making it for myself alone, but people was asking me every day, how do you make your skin so nice? Your skin look natural and look good, and your cream, you look bunny and patchy, you look good. It look natural. That's why I like my skin to be from bleaching. I don't want to be too white. You know, some people want to be whiter, you know. And me was telling people, no, I'm going to sell cream. So this girl see me as like, oh no, your skin look good. One hairdresser girl, she said, you sell cream? I said, no. She said, no. Let me show you something. And she took up one small one and say, 50 me pay for this. And it even work. And look at your skin look nice. If you make one of what you use, and me try it and me like it, me can get you 100 a customer. Me make it and the girl like it, and mother, her sister, everybody, her boyfriend at Jamaica, travel carry my Jamaica down there, buy it, I carry down. It start to spread like wildfire, the cream. The cream become famous, so people know me because of the cream before me come on Facebook. Because the cream get real popular. So, I saw that go. But I always love my mom no matter what. But I'm just surprised that in her age, when them said them Penny tell me that she never changed, I couldn't believe them. I have to say myself. Because all this time I hug up and I kiss her mom, I love you. I couldn't believe that she have these things in her heart. So anyway, I saw the story go on until me day with the Vinci guy. And my son with my Facebook page, give me down a Dean Avenue, where my son live. And then when I go up the road, it never worked no more. So I asked my son, and my son said, where you do on Facebook? And I reason to be on there. So I said, where you do on there? Same thing you do on them, I want it. So I go pay one man $20 for open one page, give me. And I go up on the page and I never just talk to people now. So I like to put on like a G-string, like a shots, man, dance and sitting. Because I just love dancing. But one day I was eating some food and just saying, naturally, when I eat, when people look at me, I eat and I go out in public. I just tired of it. So I just want to tell people when I go through, and if they go through the same thing, next thing I know it was 500,000 the first day. And then people start to request for me. At the time people started to request for me, I never been in the studio yet. And I never thought of going in the studio or doing anything. But I met this guy named Revington Steele that sing all them attack, girl, make them fret. While I was walking on Fulton, and he's like, he hear me a DJ like Mickey Mouse, the girl like Mickey Mouse. He say, who write that song? Then I say, me. He said, no man, you can't do a thing, man. I can get some free studio time and manage you. Trust me. You can't do a thing. I said, I believe in that. Anyway, I do a video with him, stand up and say, yeah, me just meet the star, blah, blah, blah. And post it. So a guy, Bronsky here from Facebook, I look me. And he started to write me and say, I do a song. And I tell him, I can help him with this song. I say, I've been to a studio, I've been about this song before. I said, no, but I know I can't do it. So the guy said, meet him at the studio, the same studio where I did. Where the guy did tell me to come, but I never did go. So I saw me go there now and go there. Because instead me stand up in the room with the Vinci man there, and he might tell me some things that me come out of my one room and this and that, and I see no way out. Me have sugar daddy when me are there with him, I don't like it. We have put food on my mouth because sometimes I don't have nothing on Vinci boy, and I give me nothing if I get some, I dead for hungry if I can't do pay my phone, but I want none. So I have to find a way, because sometimes the cream sell me out of room, I make a little money. But through me not do shipping and all them things there in the winter. And some people come and buy the cream. They don't want to spend money for the cream. They just want to come because they know so I'm hungry. Like a 20 of me, I want some cream. I know so you're hungry. You can't do no better. Forget them. But that can't happen again. They don't have nothing. Sometimes the cream not they can't buy back nothing. You know no money good. You give away all the stuff them. You know what I mean? I say you go sometime. Just because you have to survive. You're just being good. You know? And I saw it I go with that. And it just getting popular. And I say, well, me want a popular man, and I always come out to find place with label, blah, 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 and all this excitement on Facebook. But the people say, we love you, Olivet, and you make us happy. So I say, me not cap for no circumstances. So the man that throw me out, him sister turned against me, family, everybody turned against me. The woman say, me can't stand there. When I room, when the Vinci boy there, and big argument, he start paying $50 for the water, my beat under, me take a shower, and me I go through it, and me start to get popular and popular. Because the guy want me to have sex with him, talk about he never want me to come to studio. And I say, why would I waste my time for somebody else? I should have gone for myself. So I go for myself and call the guy and say me at the studio after 6 months. He say, really? I say, yeah. He take an hour and come. And then give me a bit beat. They never tell me if I make the song that night. Come never know me work at the studio the next day. Until them call the next day and said, at 12 o'clock and say if I can't, no, 2:30. And say if we can make it here by 3 o'clock with that song with the rhythm we give you yesterday, then we see what you can do if we can keep you. So God help me to write the song so fast. Back it up, bad. Smile me, a smile, and the girl so sad. What if you take me man, but I'm mad, she a mad. Serve to the left for me, I serve to the right. Girl say me straight and she want big fight. Back it up, bad. Back it up, show what you have. Back it up, sit down on the rod. Back it up, and make a girl mad. Move your body like you do gymnastic. Show them girls say you're well fantastic. And this a body in a stretch like elastic. So me say if we make the song, in 30 minutes because we have some weed left. Make it short out of the house and I go up and I say, I have to make this happen to everything I've been through life. I have to get these songs together. I gotta take this break. I can't sell pussy. I want to serve God. I don't want nobody to use me. I'm tired of being abused. I want to show them if I get this opportunity, they don't waste their time with the engineer or with me there. Coming out paying us fee for the place. So I say, watch me, say to the engineer, say, me, I'm going to sing right now, but I tell you something, I'm going to be popular. And I'm going to be famous. I say, right now, I don't see nothing yet. Sometimes I go up there, I couldn't find a close for real, I go to studio. And I like to post me like a studio time. Sometimes my ties are full up of hole, I just cut some more hole, and I ties can yummy out. I just cut out the yummy out part of bigger hole and cut out big hole all over, make it look like style, but a holy hole, nothing I have. And I go up there, I sit down on it. And I make the second song. Country girl, I know we have no fun. Boil the flower down in a rundown. Knock on my door and everybody come. One fit yes, country girl rundown. Wake up in the morning before sunrise. Get per minute, talk to Jesus Christ. Clean out my heart, give me spiritual eyes. Jaja give me strength for deal with the fight. Some of them dirty and some of them not right. Them a suck like a ticks and a bite like a lice. Wicked in the heart, I may know them not right. But I judge me a praise and I me then can't fight. Show the body we can done. Boil the dumpling in a rundown. Country girl now fall down. All evil them a call down. Woy. All evil them a send come. Country girl now fall down. All evil them a call down. Country girl now fall down. Woy. Come out of my house and me dress like a nun. Nah carry knife and me nah carry gun. Two scripture from me Bible and the devil have to run. When me attack and me mouth them can't shun. See them from afar them want compare. Heart black like a tar. Me a shining star. Me no frightened for money. Me no frightened for care. Boy see me panic and him want come. Sure. Show the body what can done. Boil the dumpling in a rundown. Country girl now follow. All evil them a call down. Woy. All evil them a send come. Country girl now fall down. So, inspire me to go on with haters and wicked and bad mind, So, I start inspire myself and say, Olivet, you have to mount it. No, I said to myself, I have to reach 1 million and 2 millions. I'm not looking at the 65,000 I have right now. I'm not tan pan that. So, if I see me pan show and I walk on my head, I have to make my life better. Just deal with it. Because me is me. When I go to Jamaica, I go make a this quick. I'm not going nowhere none of them people today. And when I go to Jamaica, I have lots of bodyguards, because I have money. And the pussy come home, I don't care what kind of families you're gone, you try to touch me. So I'm going to have that. I heavily load, I go to Jamaica, I I'll back them down there. Set them up nice. And them stay fucking round me. Remember me tell you that. Nobody can come in, I'm not in front of nobody. Kyle back them got the whole place locked pussy for something. If I go to Jamaica, something I go. Take me friend on no. Yeah. I have goodies and good people, I go down there and lock off with them. Enough goodies me have right pan yes where they are Jamaica. Lock off with them with big guns and shit. Fuck you think them fool. Think my goodies my bumbo clad pussy old bitches. My bitches them have some big blood clot gun to the man alone have gun on the fuck. On the fuck if you don't think that there's some bad blood clot girl at Jamaica. Take a gun and gun but on a blood clot pussy and push it on the pussy and let it off. Me care what you want say, well you're a sick girl for you talk on the Facebook. You never sick when you take white man and me a look. And me a look a picnic all them wickedness. I don't want to talk certain way in the dark. I don't want God to see me now. But it hurt me, the woman, I say, oh, you have skull in your belly, that's why you're mad. A skull in your belly, that's why you're mad. Baby skull. My fucking $1,000 I spent on the whole rock attack with you. And you look on that. We are draft for God dead and my black seal, I'll save him. Thank God me buy one more game with your coconut oil, black seed oil, healthy rice, healthy chicken, kale, lemon, Wolper drinking water, expensive boot, Kasha wear peerless boot on the big old mash up foot. She never know what it was for Skechers. But God is great. So anyway, I saw it go on. Until me come papa, you know, me end up. Me see Jay must last year sometime and him see me. And him send me a text, so you doing? And me call back and him say, if you need any help, I'm here for you. And me say, me why you fix me YouTube and my Facebook and I hack into it. And him fix it for me. Me said, no, me not getting paid. I've been on this thing for so long, not $1. Him said, well, you have a thing. And me say, yes, my social and everything, yes. Okay, I'll fix that for you too. And he did, so I could start getting paid. He said, what you do the cream and stuff, how you manage with the shipment? I said, 1 and 2, because I walk to the post office, me not do a lot. Him say, I will help you with that too. Me say, me need a little showroom. Him say, well, me not have much place because it's vacant. But me have a little room, if you like out there, you can hold no problem. And me take it and turn it into a room. He said, no problem if you want. No problem, it's up to you, whatever you want. I'm just trying to help you and make a better life, better back home like how it used to be. And that's why me there, so. Now me there, so me and the woman talk long time now. Me see my phone ring. Can me see if the woman no ball is here, me make sure me have the woman call one time and say she into a shelter. Me cry like baby. Me say, we are doing a shelter building, you have so much of it. Why? You have everything, why? You have money. The woman take out her money, her name to the government to know she have money. And all they sitting there, everything them pack up. Put where to who she want, put where. You understand, my big brother and Kenny take out of all her money. She have much money. She not broke. You understand, me no want to go into that because nobody gonna say me go kill her because of what me say. But she know, you understand what I'm saying? And then now, she have this big house in Jamaica, she build and welfare so big, she walk a boss with it. So my sister stop talking with it. My sister that talking the girl bad mind. Me talk about my house, and she said, damn this thing with the house. And she said, me have nice for my sister. I said, where you talk about, you are the best furniture. You're not the best furniture and nobody else. Best furniture they are foreign too. Take a look around, woman. You got store and see furniture. America have enough nice furniture too, and your house alone have best everything. She cost dirty girl, a bad man, and cost the girl. So she the girl not talk, and me she run for come chat now to where they. Because my next sister, she must come back from Jamaica when she never get the apartment with like a girl. Because my brother, when they get born up, the same one day where they with the girl. She come, my sister-in-law, with the pan life, leave me a fuck alone. There with my brother, and she used to eat me. And one day I see her, so my brother called her and she backs my brother down. I never know say my brother she there with. And she have the pitney but true, she been doing all them shit from when she young. Whatever then got the pitney get the injection and then kind of sleepy like. So remember that she fly down there because she love my brother so much. When the girl have a sister and the sister was going to take the little girl. Since custody feel like a girl, no, she take the little girl upon her head. For whatever reason. Now she have little girl, I raise little girl 11 years old now. She called me Weddy and she said to me, you know, he's a good person. If anything happened to him, why you look after the little girl for me? I see my brother Weddy a pass and yank my wig for me. I see the girl with him I get pan train. I ride up bicycle every day up and down pan road. If she bring him here, she should make some paper them straight and everything, I'm alright. Him work when he can't get a work here and there and just up on him and the girl live a flat bush. Now she tell me, why you take care of the little girl if anything for me happen. Come and so. Come look for me now. Me go over there, make care good things for her. The spirit tell me, say, no, go get woman some good shoes. I bet she wear them bad shoes. The spirit tell me to do everything and I go and get them and spend time and get on the train and go and get them. Glad to see her get her up, forget about the past, forget about how much she hate me. And hug her up and bring the things them to her. She spend more time. Spirit said, spend a little time and go, don't stay too long. Because next thing, if the woman not change, you go tell lies your place you want to live. Because we the people that throw you out of your dog. And you know where that's why you come over here, each up. And you do not want to be over here. You just want to look for the woman to right because the woman old now. Very old now and she's sickly. She have a bad foot and she old. She about 75 or so. You're 70, 75 about that. You understand me? So I saw me go look for the woman, but me come back and move and she said, what you do? Me say, me move me over that side. The more she say, yes, because your sister say, the boy where you there with, have matter in him, yeah. I don't know who would I want him because when she come down from Utica Avenue, you have matter in him, yeah, in a late time of morning. You understand? In a late time of morning. So nobody wouldn't want him. And that she tell me, say my sister say, about the Vinci guy who me live with. You understand me? And I saw, me end up go look for her. And she keep calling me. Hope Jason or Robbie, you know, I hope him not. I say, ma'am, the man not do me nothing. You paying the rent over there? No. Well, make sure you save up your money, you know, how much you have then. I say, listen, I don't discuss my money and them thing there. I don't discuss. But I'm okay. I'm doing alright. I'm managing and I'm living a clean life. Remember, you know, when people look out for you, look out for them. You know, she try to say she want to find out me any man a fuck. I must say that she want to. I say, God is good. Yes, yes. Not me not go further than that. So when you come, so when me get time, the woman start calling me like a bill collector almost every day. Me answer. She said, answer me because anything can happen to me for rush to the hospital. And I have to come look for the little girl. So don't must answer me. You hear me say, yes, ma'am. And remember, say me why you come to Jamaica, come take care of me. Me I go down next year, make sure you get the papers back in time. Because me want if you take care of me, you don't go want me depend pan to come take care of me. You know what I mean? And he's a good heart, he's a nice, nice girl. And that woman did tell me. Say, alright, I'm treat her like a person. Ma'am, I'm going to drink the water from the pipe. Because your foot and all them something to the black seed. She come and said did wonderful for her. She feeling so great. And the shoes them so comfortable. Everybody look down on her foot or her shoes them nice. She tell me, all me shopping them jealous when me talk about you. All the rest of them jealous how you take care of me. Then she call me where the me go back over there, me buy more black seed, and me buy more shoes and sitting because she wants one. Me want the black in this, me go back. You see one of the paniers, me go pick it up for her. So me not feel like and go over there. Me even though I cook the time, but me end up so late. I sugar daddy did drive me over there. Remember, me tend to come pick me back up, not too late. And so on. And she did the attack and attack and attack and go on. And so on. And she said, Petrina, my other sister, me love my other sister, and so on. And me say, alright, ma, you come back again. And she called me, where you come? Come on, me pretend one day and spend the day together and we cook some food. Cook some of the chicken where you carry in the fridge and make some rice and peas. And we can cook together. Me say, when me get the time, ma'am. Anyway, she called back again and then she said to me, say, she called back again and then she said to me, say, how you doing? And I say, alright, ma'am, how you do? She said, you know, where you me a walk? Guess what, no? You see them me a walk and me see one silo. One silo. But you know one of that me they call it for the about weight. You know, me want to tell us, say, you know the government have a program out when they can pay your family or pay somebody if you're sick or you're old. And you can come and then send you the money. And I think they pay like 300 a week. I must say come out one time a week or twice a week. And go work and then pay you that. So you have a social and sit everything set up. You can give me. Let me go downtown and sign up so you can get that money. Every week you will be able to get the money. So I said to her, I said, no ma'am, I don't want it. I don't want to sign up to come and work for you a week or 2 days a week. I don't have nothing to do with that. The simple fact that me no want nobody use me to collect money when they start don't cost me about and me I collect money for them and me I collect and walk and tell them so me I collect 300 a week if your money are coming in. And me no want them something like I make my own cream and sell. Me I make my own money, me no want to be part of none of that. So me tell her, so go and ask me the sister if she can do it, but me not interested because me so busy sometimes. Me don't even have time to eat. Because me busy with the cream and ship. Me take credit card, debit card, Western Union, MoneyGram, PayPal, and J help me out well. You get the stuff in 3 days, the business is going okay, people love the product, and we stay on top of things. So therefore, one day, me not have the time. You want to tell me something, I really think you should get to a minimum wage job, though. I think you should get something else to do, like a minimum wage. Something you can, you know, something pan you can help you out on the books. I say, ma'am, I'm paying tax in my business. It's legit, because I'm paying tax. That's why I could take credit card, because I'm paying tax. And so on, because the government watching the money that's coming in. So you have to pay, especially at them, the amount of size. When now with your time gone, who was making how much a week, selling how much 100 pack of bleaching cream. So therefore, and then we wouldn't really have the time to go take a minimum wage. Or if you come, I say, ma'am, I'm not interested in that. I'm not really interested. And you know, I see your sister, all right, then I said, I ask you first, because I know, say, you will come and spend a little money and bring something for me. So that's why I come to you first. And I say, ma'am, I'm not interested in that, because this priest, I say, later on, she go say, yeah, she say, you don't even have to come. I say, later on, she go say, me, I collect the money. She collect it, carry money, come give me. Where you collect much money, now I want 2,000 much money she collect, and we collect money for me. me and me nah get it. Me don't want to be that mix up there. I don't want to. My life move on in a different dimension. Me start to become more popular. People like my attitude. Me talk about my life when me go through. Me not hide nothing. So when this come to people, it won't be a surprise to them. Because me never tell them how bad it was with my mother. Me always tell them that me love my mother, act like my mother was all good. Like she never tell me the things she tell me. Because me don't want to seem like I'm a bad person because I love her and me don't want to perish for not loving my mother. So me rather on the earphone self, on probably will be fucking shocked right now to know that all the woman used to be with me. I mean, left for all these years. Me tell us me don't want to collect the money, me don't want nothing to do with it. Then she started to say that she passed a silo and me brought down on my sister. She never know. This girl I walk back her and she stopped with a little girl, which is the girl she raised. And I say, who the girl turn up and look on the girl say, auntie. And she realized I'm my sister. She realized I'm my sister Petrina. And how the girl look, you couldn't recognize her. And nobody knowing that I get the ear down at the shop. Girl I talk about she moving a house 2 months. And she just take a chop, come take me out there. Because I'm not right for living in a building like this. She has too much a pitney. And them no badly off. And me could have never go live with her, no thanks. Coming like the boy where she married to. Me take her back and lick off her face. She something else with that the boy. Then you go one experience she must have. I must say the boy go to her go be that a girl pan her. And her kind of sitting she attack. And I say, mom, that's not nice. It is not nice. Why don't you make the girl if the girl want to make her say, why not at least the girl of her auntie? If anything happened to the girl of her auntie there, we have a house. The little girl in Africa if you coming on a project. The girl of her next auntie there. So if anything happened to the little girl, even now Petrina and I go put her out. Petrina is a good daughter, educated, went to college. That girl is know what she's doing. She's a smart one out of the family. I respect her, my little sister, and I do love her. And me said to her, I said, do you have my sister number? She said, and if brought on Solomon knows and more than never go on texting. So me say it's not nice that you say that. Me not gonna agree with you. Because she's too old to tell her lies. Tell her the truth, man. Me say I can't bring them pit them like that when them trying to try, mom. It's not nice. Come on, the girl not do nothing. I said, do you have her number? I would like to talk to her. All the years no, I talk to my sister about the bed situation. No, I not have her number. I not have it. Because what she could have done and chat with me, girl. Because you must have talked a long time, tell girl live in a building and this and that. I know you call up my name. I know you call up my freaking name. But you're afraid to the girl, I go say something to me, I'm going to say what you say about the girl. So I come on Facebook and say, that is not nice, man. I'm angry what you say. Because you come tell me, now come over there and make me sign a name to the apartment. To the little girl apartment. And the little girl apartment, make her mama or papa come there. When I go on a project, I'll take a pitney 11-year-old. I have no life. I must go get minimum wage and come sit down on a project, take care of the little pitney. So I have to go music them and do my thing and be me. Me must always be the worst. Why? What my father, whatever my father do to you, and I do to you. Is you put yourself with him. And you would not go to hell as an evangelist, behaving this kind of way to the daughter, but she have this skull in her belly and she sell pushes, she a whore, she a dirty whoring girl, and you tell the daughter, the whole world is here to hear your evangelist. I don't know where you go preaching after this. I will go listen to her preach after this Jamaica when she come down there, and about you go to church and try to save sinner soul. I want to make sure to share the video so everybody can hear the evangelist. Iris Smelly, no share it around. Iris Smelly. Yes, my father name Smelly, but she must say Iris Johnson or Iris Smelly. Make me never hear her. Your evangelist telling her daughter. Yeah? Yes. So after I go down now, she said, I said to her, I said, you shouldn't do that, it's not nice. And my feelings were hurt because I could have said, why do I come to my minimum wage? She said, me just spend $1,000. I think minimum wage could have give me that for now. And me have good enough art. Why she do this? So now today she called me now, say, I see number miss call me, say, I must not mix up now, because I know the little girl up on there and she watch me. She watch me herself, I go and actually watch me. Because she learn a lot of things from me. So I know she da go hear that, so I say, Mom, I'm talking to you. When I was talking, because I not cuss her. But the way it make me feel bad. Because I couldn't get $1,000. I know she called me today and say, well, you call me name on Facebook. I said, I'm not calling him because I did not mention the name. I said, Mom, ain't dirty whoring gal, you this, you that. And I said the woman come out and start to cuss me. So that is what caused the problem. I won't sign for the $300 a week, and I won't go sign at the project. Figure live there and take care of 11-year-old pitney. And I won't come to Jamaica, come wipe her shit when she start to shit up herself. It won't happen. So that is the problem. I decide that I'm not going to do it, and she mad. She realized she can't get me to use me. So now me and my papa are good. And we are casket people. She never know me are casket people when me and see her friend dead. She never know we are casket people when me up and down I raise her pitney. She never know we are casket people when me up and down I try help her. But that's how it goes, people. That's how it goes. That's my luck in life. It's my luck in life. Let me get to eat from morning. Gosh. I get to eat nothing from morning, dog. Nothing more to get white, hungry. That was a surprise. That was a great surprise I got today, dog. What kind of dry goodie? Goodie, that was a surprise to me. I never expect that out of my mother. Me never know so she have all them things in her mind. When me go there the other day, I didn't know, to be honest with you. I didn't know. Why me I tell her? She not going to see me again now. She's not going to see me anymore. All when she dead at the casket, she not going to see me, goodie. I'm sorry to tell you guys. She never see her mother no more. Make her mother dead without seeing her. She going dead without seeing me. Because what she did today, the whole world could hear her cussing me anything she telling me. Say me a disease girl with hepatitis. I mean, I'm skull in my gut. I'm a dirty whoring girl. I'm a whore all about. And I'm a prostitute. On the earphone yourself. You can go back on the video and listen to it. On the earphone yourself. Yes, man. My God. My God. I wouldn't dream this in a fucking years. I wouldn't dream this in a fucking years, goodie. I wouldn't dream this in a fucking years. I'm shocked. I'm totally shocked. Guys, I am shocked. Me nearly dead. Me have a heart attack. Me couldn't breathe. Me nearly dead. Me couldn't believe my mother. Bumper clad. Ay. My mother. Oh, God, girl. Oh, God. No one mother. My goodie. The smoke this damn herb. I gotta calm my nerves. Yo, I need to eat, though. I need to eat something because I know being empty is not too good for me. But right now, I can't eat nothing yet, dog. Right, I'm just going to burn. Just give me like a minute to get myself together and I'll go get some food. Oh, I got some more of that shit here. I'm frightened, dog. I'm frightened. Frightened of blood clot. Me never expect that. Me never expect that. Because me think, say, well, she old I know. And she's an evangelist, and you know, she see what she wrong and she old and her kids and you're soon dead. I mean, you're in that age where you're getting old, you're complaining you're dead, come take care of the little girl with you. You know, feel like, you know, come take care. I mean, I sit down a couple days ago and I feel sad. And I said to myself, say, damn, I really love my mother, you know, in spite of everything. And that I sit down and think, you know, and even though she said these things to me, I still want to go look for her. And then the fucking woman cussed me. So me frightened, dog. Who are in dirty girl, your grandfather dead in the Bronx. You never know your grandfather kind dead before you come here. And when he dead, he couldn't bury himself for no crosses and your papa crosses. The whole of know a bed breed. The whole of know a fucking hearse people. I never hear the woman say me a hearse people. I know what she get for her cousin from. The woman say me a blood clot hearse people. And when the blood clot this, me and my sister and my papa, the whole of we a hearse family. Hearse people and bad breed them. Me a bad breed that you curse me, you put up upon me, because you never like me from a little. I don't know what you do to me. Boy, goodie. I tell you, Lord, I tell this motherfucker. But I'm not going to stand here and curse her. Behind her back and shit, I leave her to time. Because me believe in a God, goodie. And if I not say something to your face, I'm not going to say it behind your back. You know, this argument is closed. I'm not going to cuss her and say bad about her. Make sure go on. Make sure go on. Drinking the poison water. That's all I have right now. My God. My God. Talk about so when me talk about Jesus, me get watch. What she say me what? Me very sit under, but me not care. Me very sitting like I believe in God. That's why. But when you talk about God, your soul, whatever, I don't care. Me be like that because me believe in Him. That's why I'm serious. I'm not call God name me a sinner. I want make you if you fucking breed out so much fucking pitney. Eh? And God can't give you a chance after you take so much food. Why can't give me a chance? And if me a whore, you're a bigger whore because one time you breed forget Pitney and a 15 times you breed. How the fuck you going to call me a whore? If you're a whore, you fucking raise your daughter as a fucking small whore. And you're the mama whore. And you raise your daughter so she a whore. You don't make she go to school and take care of her. You make she turn a fucking whore or you make she turn so. Or you make she turn so. You never teach her about pad or nothing. You can't make her school and say you can't take her to school if you try and get me in school. You tell me not tell me what my mouth think. And carry me back home. And then go get minimum wage to give me $4.25 hours for work. And I realize that my son is behind me. I'm not going to make nothing happen from us money and take care of my fucking son. And my son is going to be 28 this month. Very nice young man, handsome and intelligent. Nice young man. No drink, no smoke, no near meat. Believe in God, fasting and pray. That's what he does. He's the one complaining, mommy, you're smoking, I don't like that. He really don't like it. That's something he mad with me for. Because he really don't like it. He's not into this kind of shit. He's not into that. He said, your side of people is not fucking good, mom. Your mother, all of it, your side of people is just not good. That's why, because you're my mother, why I'm even dealing with you. Because some things with them do me, I tell you how. You understand me? Talk about so Jamaica you have sitting. You know America fucking song that project a fucking apartment. You have sitting go fucking live in it. Where you had up a song I run back a government with a little pitney I run up and down when you get little pitney have somebody can take her. You have an auntie where you adjust up the auntie you take the pitney for now, you can't manage pitney get to a certain age now. You kill out yourself. I talk about teacher must see a finger a little pitney you gone up at the school for make mischief on the header board and all kind of shit. And I talk about people say you're mischief. You're fucking mischievous. Boy, little girl need to come in time. And then you know why she was doing up. Then the principal was up. Then the man. And the man must have do sitting with the pitney. And you call this, you calling that. And the people approve, say it's wrong. And the pitney said, no, she was here praying with somebody else somewhere. And I lie. The pitney I tell her because she afraid for talk about. And I tell lie upon the people then. Yeah. I never know I end up here with this on because I just draw this with this and run outside for go make some delivery cream good and I saw my dress today. I just try time for go run to put some cream because I get no time for dress. Somebody want dress for the day. I just run outside for go deliver the cream and then everything just come in a shock. So I end up looking like this on camera. Oh boy, I tell you. I don't know where this makeup going because I couldn't even do the makeup right no more. I don't know what my fucking shit look like today. All this shit is shocking. Why may I tell you? And so when it rains, it pours. Thank God me not live with her. Thank God she not fear cuss me. I will cuss her around me at her place. Thank God me not there. Thank God. Who feels it knows it, baby. I thought about something definitely wrong with me head, how me behave. How me go on me video them. Well, something wrong with you know what wrong with it. You see anything wrong with you know what wrong with you, man. You shouldn't ask nobody if something wrong with it. Something wrong with you know why something wrong with it. Because you have my big brother fuck me, then so me at fucking 9, I got 10 years old. That's why something wrong with me head. But you see me at the park, I take off my clothes. That are the video me gone and say me gonna be curry chicken back, I eat you mad over. But me see at the park, so what? You can't take off you. You wish you could. You wish you damn could. You was a fucking talk at the town when you fucking used to dance. Then you used to have lambada. You used to buy this wool pack cloth and make your skirt, and when you spin you hold your pussy out the door. Cause the whole of the skirt spin out when she spin. Once you go dance and get in the middle and she spin, the whole of her pussy out the door. Leg and drawers. Because when she spin the whole of the skirt, walk up wide and come up. When she spin around the skirt, walk up and come out. All I see a pussy and ass and everything. Some of them come go on like say, you know, you want like sitting on what bad. But at the same shit you used to wear. And dance with the big old cloth and then spread out the whole I pussy out the door same way. I don't see the difference. But see, I watch me not see no my nice clothes and bad mind. Because I don't feel have nothing. What minimum wage? Fucking bright. Go and go make your son, make them do the minimum wage. My minimum wage day is done long time. Because God is with me. Long fucking time. Long fucking time, goody. Can't do this thing right now, enough to tell you the truth, because small scunt. The scunt and don't get me out right now. Yeah, things are like a dirty girl at trace me. I couldn't think of my mama. Oh God, you would never think of my mother. Some people are saying no one our mother. It got to be a fucking joke. Can't be serious. Some people must have said that. Because it's unfucking believable. They can't believe it. Then they say they have good spirit and them must fuck up spirit and them goody. What kind of Christian could have a real spirit now? It's them serving God no matter what. And I tell the daughter then something and the girl now tell her. I say you are the one, you are the one. I tell her back. But me not get up and start tell her that. You know? My God. Goody sometimes my brain shock. I know, thanks, Goody. No, sir. My God. But God is good, Goody. I love you too. Tanisha, how you doing? Yeah, big up yourself, Robin. Hi. Big up yourself. So that caused the problem. Can me just say, Ma, I think it been unfair to me when I stop from school, my little sister and something, and it would be fair for me now to come over there and sign an apartment, take care of the little girl, take up this responsibility, me have my own thing I do. So I won't be doing that. So she get the message now why she call for come cuss me. Just because I say I won't be taking the money to do the thing and I won't be fucking coming to Jamaica and take care of her down there in Jamaica upon her land. I need to go make my own land and make my own business and take care of my own self. I if I go down my big brother them with the same thing if the land will rape me. I if I go down upon the land go take care of her nowhere and put myself in danger to nobody and be no say I need to take care of my own self at this point. And that's what caused the problem. Yeah, call me name. I said, Mom, I did not call your name. I was just talking, saying something. I never said nothing bad because people hear me talk about it. That I was mad the way she told about the minimum wage and said I was mad. But I never curse her. I never say anything bad about her. Anybody know me telling the truth? Right. I never did. I never cursed her and say she had this and she had that. Never. You understand me? It's when she started cussing me, say, well, if me I worry, I worry too then. And if me had this, you had that then because you did this and you did that. I saw that come in. God damn. You see, you never know what life gonna bring you, man. I tell you one day, you don't know what's gonna happen, lady. You don't know. You really don't know what life bring you. God damn, Goody. You don't know, Goody. You don't know, Goody. Don't know. Don't know, Goody. Damn phone keeps sliding down. Don't know, goody. I don't know. Oh, God. I don't know anymore. Gosh. What the fuck? I don't know. They know this. Let's clap this now. So what I'm gonna do? What I'm going to do? I thought I had something up there, so yeah, though. Like I'm losing it. Next week, before I wash out the week there. Oh boy. Ah, so God good doing now. I'll just rinse out this and try to get a brush to brush it out. It don't smell bad or nothing, but wash it and put it away for a couple of days. I edit it and put it now. I rinse them out, come away them and I get sweaty in them or anything, and on the train I wash them out. I wash them out all the time. That's why I keep a lot of them. I have a lot, you know. And bad mind. Them bad mind goody. You can't curl the end to maybe I should have curl it before I put it in. I could curl it up like Jerry curl, but I don't have time for that now. The lace front. The lace front is... So make it so I can keep my ear clean. Come on, like I'm on the same thing, day and top of day and it's sweaty and rinse out the put on it. Just like to, you know. Why could my belly all hurt me? Do me never feel so yet? Feel like I'm going to have a baby. I'm shocked. I'm shocked too bad, yeah, man. One time I cut the lace front and good. I hate to cut them. Because I don't cut them neat. I don't cut them right. I don't slate to cut them. But soon enough, I get somebody who can cut my lace front and put them on for me. I get somebody who could do that, you know, goody. We can do that. Help me with the makeup on the ear. Yeah, so I could go bigger. Spend a little money, you know. I'm going to make them do it for me. You know what I'm saying? Spend a little money and make them do it for you. Yeah. I tell you, so as the bathroom cleaning like up on the open music again, when it's stink and dirty and black in there, I'll have shit all from the fucking toilet seat. I'll be on the sitting drop and dirty, mucky. Soon as you clean out here, the music like up in there for hours I play. Tell you man, but that's how it go. So I come here, child. I try to get the rig up, put on this thing up on my head. So I hope this thing to pick up on the background. I tell them I don't understand these people. I don't understand it. It's too big for my head. Before I size it down. What a blood clot. The woman says skull in your belly. That's why. You go you have people that not good. You know a bad breed. You know a fucking casket him. Fucking earth people. I say woman you have a earth before fucking me. You're 75. Fuck you talk about earth. I tell me about dead and earth. You more fucking woman yet before. You yet because I'm still young and I can't take cocky, you can't take in a blood clot more. And that's your fucking problem. So my sister say, man, you want to take it from me and thump in your blood clot. Because the girl come here. The girl always been like your favorite spot. And the girl come live with you, carry the girl on her picnic come here. And the girl in the apartment live with you. You go to take the big woman, take your hand and fucking beat the big old woman. For whatever argument you and the girl have, you push the girl around, the girl not like it. And the girl go say something to you. You jam, take your hand and fucking grab the girl and push the girl around. The girl take her hand and fucking give you one fucking box. And she be down like couch and say, bitch, what you want to fucking do? And then she call her friend and say, bitch, she's over here fucking taking set of me like a man she fucking want. You understand? And the girl left your fucking place. I feel left because you throw out the girl. You understand me? That's where the girl start talking about because of me. Come here, I say, just try live good. I mean, I try make peace, you picking and come back.
You tell me to talk to your brother, I'm more so glad. I said, trying to fall out with my brother again. I said, trying to fall out with my brother again. Trying to fall out with him again. You know, because you're at this age you want to be peace with your pitney. The woman come and cuss me. Should me make peace with everybody, go back to her and try to go back to her and just forget about the past, what she did. She come back with the same shit at her old fucking age, drop on 1 foot like a blood clot witch. That's why my brother talk about you must blood clot dead. Me not understand, me hurt, me cry, my brother say, tell her, I say, what? You must fucking dead. And the last man tell me and talk to me and talk like him fucking there forever. And me upload him blood clot body in a taxi because I'm fucking dead. And me go load yours in there too. So me yes, my brother tell her that. Me couldn't understand why would him do something like that. I said, that's fucking wickedness, man. Why you do that to your own mother? Why would you do something like that to your own mother? You know, goody? Not realizing why. Not fucking realizing why. You understand me? Not realizing why, dog. Not realizing why. Not realizing why, goody. Not realize at all. Why? Not realize. You see me, dog? Not realize why. You know? I like glowing and sit on me. I'm not put it in the car. I'm not hold my head ball after the rest of me. I try for gross. I'm not put them shit in it. Right? I'm not care about that shit right now. Yeah, so I get me real fucking mad. What's in him? I say, keep the nice down, Jay. Because I don't want to make up nice in that place. But me feel hurt at the time, emotion. Or the woman come back cuss me. That was shock. Me shock. My son called me last week. I said, Mommy, don't spend the money on the woman because the woman they don't like you. Mommy, don't. The woman they don't like you. Me I spend much money on the woman they. You never spend that on me. I never do it because my son beg me nothing. My son said, do not because them people are not good, Mommy. Do not do it. The woman they not good. And I see him thing. I show him attack. He never go 2 weeks later. He never go 2 weeks later the same fucking thing with the boy. Even if you find some earring goodie. Because I have a lot of jewelry and laziness. I can't wear the same earring 4 or 5 days. That's not even right. We only one earring. So I can't find it old for me years now. You understand me? Thing hurt me so tell you, man. Man say fucking that's why you stay like that skull in your belly. Eh? Fucking shit, my mother is Christian, a fucking evangelist, so going to church. And if you run out of fucking church when she come in there, come to Jamaica going like she a high Christian. Me tell about the high Christian them. People me tell about them when they go to church already and they know the Bible. They come like blood clad Satan and know the Bible. And I think I joke me, I tell her no. She said she go to Jamaica, she couldn't get the apartment and she go with my sister. All that me a cuss for her with here. She go over my sister because she couldn't get the apartment on time. She stopped by my sister, she said. My sister live in Queens. She stopped by my sister. She said, my sister have her babysitter with me and she go to work and she want to go see me. And she couldn't do it. And my sister said, well, when you going to leave, because you're there how long, when you going to leave? And my sister get in an argument. My sister, you hold her by her hand and I drag her by 1 foot, I drag her, put her out her apartment and say, come out. So I eat me a cuss Bola for them. Bola, I really apologize to you. Bola, I really do. I love you because no matter what, but she the one that cause problem between the whole of we. I really do, Bola. I really apologize to you because you do some things when I write but I can't forgive you. Because some of the shit when you cuss me and tell me. No, me know and she tell you so. Because me hear the same thing I tell me today. You understand me? I catch me eye. You hear me? Draw her out and put her out. She got to my niece's house. She threw my niece's house, but she the girl never know if you go. And that's why I don't want to blame my brother and I can't take out a film daughter and they throw her out in the first place. And he married me, I want to take out the picnic because I want a problem with the picnic of boyfriend and anything, I blame me as usual. So I tell the picnic she couldn't come picnic back, so the picnic trying to me since then. So the picnic must get an apartment and must have one boy married to. And she must have gone over there and stay. And the little girl must have asked her, so what about the rent? Her rent coming up to pay. She don't want to help the girl, so the girl say, well, you have to help the parent have to pay somewhere there. So she must left and go in the shelter until she get the apartment. Why you put yourself through that for raise a picnic and the picnic could have somebody take them and go home to Jamaica and Tanzania. You can't turn down there. Because you fuck with people too much. Good day? I know I love people and I know I really love people and I love God and I don't really cater.
Yeah. Huh? Because when I put the ear on it come like baby ear and a piece of thin plastic. Because you know the plastic ear can put gel pan it, it won't hold. So the only thing you can't hold them, do and slit them and then they come like because the plastic hold it down, it still look like, I guess that's something I don't know, something do it. Because the gel now hold, and put gel pan here, they never hold. So this is the next minute we come put it under. Sometimes I mess up the edge a bit, but can't put it too tight. Because it will pull on the edge too much. See there now? Too much. Too tight. I don't want the edge go under. It's a problem. Oh, this sitting on my head if I go back some more. Way back too much. Okay. What the fuck? Go in and stay good. If you just leave it here. Because I do it you look worse, you bend right under and fall over and lay flat on the scalp. And you're not supposed to fall over. I don't really care right now. Yeah, so. If I'm man, but my body can't take it. Yeah. Tie this back here, so. Go on and tie it. Yeah, good, so. It's me dear child, so it's to go. No pitting around her, so she a little girl alone. If she accompany little girl out, little girl take her for a panty. And little pitney, she come from school, she take her from panty in a bathroom, and she go check it, and now it smell like sperm. And she gone and pitney look up in the room. So when you in the room and search up for, she tell the pitney, so you know got no fucking room here, you know got no room here. You don't, I tell her, so don't tell the little girl that the government give the girl for the place, the girl have a room there, you can't do that, makes you feel bad. But I tell you. I'm a real person, so at the end of the day, I don't give a fuck what nobody say. When a bad blessing now follow me, because I'm not a customer, so talk to me, can't take care of her. Maybe worry about my fucking self. And my spirit was right. My spirit ain't fucking wrong. My spirit never fucking wrong. My spirit never wrong, dog. Spirit never wrong. To say no for all that stuff. Nobody go say me thief their money and me collect money and this and that. Me not in it. Go on YouTube and go look when me look for my mother. Me go YouTube live over there. Go on and go look on her and tell people how good me is for me a little girl. Go on and go look on your talk for yourself. How good me is to her. Go over there and look for yourself. And what she tell me today. Oh, she don't like my grandfather and don't like me pop on me a bad breed. Tell me if that was right. You just look into that and tell me if that is right. Okay? 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 No care nobody say the end of the day. Because like a girl mama go talk, my brother go talk, everybody go jump on and make comment. My other sister and mom make comment, and husband go make comment. Cousin go make comment, everybody go make comment, and I'm go make good comment because they are in the family. I mean, in them neither, so I don't really care. Then come out a fake name, that's how she been watching me all along. So the end of the day, I don't really care good if you ask me, I not care. End of the day, I don't care if you ask me. At least when I hear for myself. And when I realize how she accused me and go and I say, no, I'm going to go live. Even though I'm not turn good, I couldn't hear. Because nobody now go believe when I talk and people are cut side. When they hear for themselves, they can't and tell me if they think it's right. Oh, I have hepatitis and I have dirty girl, worrying girl. I have cold in my belly, my poopa never good. You know, no never good. You know, fucking, what she say? You know, fucking earth people. But she never know the earth people give her black seed oil for help her. If you not dead. And I help her out. Eh?
You know, there's darkness too, because she not go on nobody here talk like this. So, hello. Which church you go preaching, I know? You can't take care of your own family, your own daughter. You go preach and tell people turn around to God and you a skeleton about scale and she a pussy and she this and she that. And of course the daughter and go and go take up mic and preach for other people. Fucking I want you to put fucking rat egg and dash by your woman. A rat egg then dash by you. Rotten fucking egg. You can't go to no church from this. Because everybody watching this and see and know you. From St. Margaret's Bay and go down there. You can't go to no church at St. Margaret's Bay go preach. I know when I put in Jamaica. No way. I have no friend in America here we know you too. I have to bring Bible to them. You can't tell them that no more. Can they see up on YouTube and call me? And say, Olive, me know, I don't see your mother that. I write you and say, what should them pass her all the time, I see her all the time. And this and that and all now. Let me hear you now. Them can hear you. I don't care what nobody say about me. I'm an open book. I love God, but I'm an open book. I know my life become and I made the fault of them. And what them do me, but me rise above that, me not go stay down because of that. I go find strength in myself and rise so they can't stand me like how she can do. She expect me to dead by now, but instead me still alive. So she not like that. And she can talk about earth people. We are earth people. When you earth people, your one daughter you call earth and she not tell her nothing bad. You tell her about earth people and all kind of fuckery. Of course, my father did about a good 2-3 years now. 3 years now or so. My father then he was married in Queens to a woman. Alright, and the woman must know. And know me think. So one girl look man have me know if a female pitney, one young girl and she have a baby. Me know she have family to me or what, I don't know. You understand me? But he was married in his wife in Queens. And I'm sure the woman know about her because my father must tell the woman how she fucking is. Boy, me I tell her say it's not easy, dog. It's not easy at all. I try to talk and the music, I just hope the music not going to sit. I over talk it, but I don't know. Because sometimes that shit still pick up in the background. Because I see the sense of somebody I go to the bathroom, go beat them if you carry fucking music. You understand? Yeah, argue now. Is that then get strength. I don't know where they get their strength from. Because this never happen all the time and it's slowly start back again. As soon as I scrub out the fucking bathroom. It was so mucky, I'll shit the panny. People go sit down, you can't see like this man, me clean it, somebody going to go use it. Then they spray it out. Well, them skin, when them sit down on the tile, left on the tile, see the skin, it's like a dead cell skin. You can't see it. You can't go sit down on that. So people get germs and get disease off a toilet seat. But nobody not lock up in there. As soon as you clean it, no one's cover the toilet white and clean the bathroom while the mucky dirt, it look like tar. And take down the shower curtain and clean it out, lock up in music and play for hours in there. You can't get no peace. You have to live dirty sometime. And when people come down and take pictures and say, damn, Olive, it live over there, look how nasty to the bathroom, look how she live. People wouldn't understand, man. They wouldn't understand, you see. That's why next year, if you get me, nobody can come around me. Nobody at all next year when me move. Me and me alone, oh God. And my goodies then come through that different. Will love me, they can't come and stay. They can then come by me, they come to New York for come see me. They can't hang out. I can't get one bedroom if you get more than one. If a couple of them come, I can't fucking share more one bed in a one room because that I can't afford. Now I take up my bigger 4 place I can't afford. 2 bedroom I will get. That's it. When I come, I put more than one bed in a one of the room. Bed can't go in the living room, it doesn't matter. When I come, I spend time when I come. You understand me? I don't have time for the fuckery. You can't stop me in a good day. That behind the stand because I don't have a good heart. After all my mother tell me and tell me she don't like me, still never believe her. When it come like me need to believe it. Me need to like understand it and believe so she really don't like you, all of it. Same brother I must say go on like him bad and gone on one bar. And man they must lick him and mash up in jawbone. That time gone. He go back again and get in a problem, he end up in a jail. Because the girl chop him up with a knife, the girl like up with the mother. Must do sitting, must beat up the girl, I know where he go. But he end up in a jail. And she tell me how her foot sick. That time live with the old man, her foot sick. And she depressed because my brother they are jail for fear hot spot them. She don't care about me like how she care about them. And me tell the woman, say, alright, no worry, what you want to do? She want to go bail him out. I want to say $2,000 for the bail. She get the money ready. Me tell her, so no worry herself, me go come and pick her up and help her out. She want to talk about dance and then talk about this and that. Me pick her up. Me get the African guy named Musa. Me see him at Fulton Street and he used to like me because he used to like me. I look man, but him cool. He's a cool guy. And me call Musa. Me say, Musa, what you doing? You can't carry me to Brooklyn Bridge. Me give her money. Me give her $40, no problem. I go pick up my mother. He said, no, man. I said, no, man. Me get $40. I come in for buy gas, man. Take it, man. He said, no problem. I drive all the way to Flatland and pick up my mother and go Brooklyn Bridge for go and bail up my brother. Go there and get the paper and help her float the paper and do everything. Do everything. Remember what I know for do all that stuff. You understand? And then one thing he went in and I said, alright, your brother will be released soon. The guy is on the park and drop asleep out there wait pan way. Come back home and go back to Flatland and drop off my mother. And come back home the next man, my phone ring, my sister tell me, Mom calling and tell me, say, yesterday, oh, you carry a Brooklyn Beach, you go build up, bapu, come out, you know, and you do an ugly African boy, and how you bleach out your kin, and your body big, like you think you can live by your ass forever, like you think you can sell your ass forever, once your skin brown, or she bleach out and her body big, like she can live by her ass forever, with one big African boy, big boy head, big and the boy ugly, and then no, I said to her, so how much for the ride for pay the boy? Yeah, no, I got it, I take care of it. With her ass thing, she can't live on her ass favor. So me call the woman and say, what kind of thing that me hear you tell me sister call, because my sister couldn't know who came and how the man look. And me never mean nothing by it and this and that. Fucking woman a hypocrite. Fucking woman a hypocrite. But me this come out now, me glad it come out now. Me glad it come out now, good, me forgot go, because the music will get louder and louder, I don't know. Right now I'm so pissed, I don't know. Say go dog. Yeah. No good? I'm drop the sitting man drop down the sitting back there so the container the bag pant up on my ball, the big ball. I can't hear drop down. Yeah. Then I need my mascara good, I ain't got no mascara on. I need to get the mascara, hold on. All that money me waste on the woman. Because I take the fucking $1,000 that do me good. Me can't take it buy some bleaching cream right now. Me take it get the fucking woman. Buy up sitting carry and I have my money and I have my money. I have fucking money sit down pan. And me try to be nice. And she never mean me no good. You hear me man? Heart me no fuck. Come work hard to send me bleaching cream to get $1,000 figure. I never minimum wage me get it from. I never minimum wage me get it from. Shit in the drain now. Why go there? You love some people, but you just gotta let them go. Lifetime is here for you to serve. You can't make somebody live out for them blood clot life and then rob your happiness. Rob your life. Fuck off with that blood clot and go old man. I'm gonna about your blood clot business. But them tell you that fucking hypocrite boy, you're a fucking Christian. Fucking Greece can hold on. Take man to a certain age and talk about Jesus. You're still not pure. You're not pure still. Fuck out of here. At least me come real and tell the people and say me suck pussy already one time. I'm glad you know that to tell the world. Because I don't tell them already, you're too late. Woman start cuss me. Let me take her man or something goodie. Me I said no. Me couldn't believe that shit. Goodie, me couldn't believe it. If you tell the truth, me couldn't believe it.
Honestly to God, I couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it, man. God damn. God damn. Despite me can't see nothing, so I'm just hold up on it and that's it. I want to block up all of my face. I'm in with the fake lash cream so that I put the mascara on my eye. Yeah. Not all men of the do man just start cuss me. Goody? If you tell you the truth, me glad it happen so car. Mother run over the up and down like I eat and I feel guilty. So why me not go to ski up myself and go take care of the woman? At least me feel better now. Me not feel guilty no more. Me I tell you the truth. And when you talk about my brother come for rob me, they could cuss him so bad me feel bad. Come in so the woman still a go on. That will make anybody cuss so the woman a cuss you. Anybody have feelings I go feel hurt for not see your mother day with you like that. But me's a sinner. Me's a sinner, me a this. So what are you? What is she? She never used to be a sinner. Eh? How can somebody curse somebody but you're a sinner and you're a this and a that? So she curse a sinner, you're not sinner, curse me. And I tell me the things you tell me, think that's abomination to the Lord. I think that's right. Eh? You're one flesh and blood. We care about you. We are suffering you. We are suffering to help you. And you turn on a curse them like that. I'm sure she never knows so she nobody a hear her. She did not know. I tell you, baby. Thank you, Goody. Thank you. Thank you guys for being here with me in the pain and suffering. Thank you. That's one thing they have to laugh, they have everything. And that's what I love about you guys. You understand me. Nobody not perfect, but still I'm gonna have to cuss you and tell them something good. I tell the truth. No matter what. You know, right is right and wrong is wrong. No matter what. You know, because somebody and tell them that she a war and she this and that. When you start telling them something, you must start to tell them where you make it from. Why you was doing and why you was doing that if you're so holy. You're such a Christian. You know what I mean? You know, because when you explain yourself because the person carry on real nasty. You can go back in the video and hear everything what she has say. Girl, you have hepatitis C, and you're this and you're that, and you take man, and you're a whore, and a skull in your belly, you're in a park without clothes. You never want to sit on the stacking where you eat. Fucking bright and out order. What you did there? What you did that one? And my sister, father, my married man, never 40, the man live house with his wife. A fruit old veil. Edna was master of the wife. And somebody pitting them here, so my brother get married because he can't go find out in real father. He go find out in real father. So that if you go worry about when you can come tell me, you know in Ghana, Jamaica, and in this got on one man, and this and that and father, and all kind of sit and mix up. Now come to me with it. Because everybody mix up. That's why I never seen a father around. When I grew up, I never seen not even one of them. But them be pitting them, the father will come. And then get the two of them and then continue move on. And you continue move on, you get me. First of all, when my father get my sister, she was the first pitting field with my father. 16. And my father after left Jamaica. I left Jamaica, you take a next man. And you get my brother. And you and him left. And you take a next man. And you get a couple more of them and you left. You take a next man, you get one. and you come back and you take and get a couple of them. And my father come and you come again and get me. My father come visit Jamaica. And he left again and you go back again. And get me to a small sister. And then you left again and go get me smaller brother. So now come cuss me and call me whore. Simple and clear. Do not do that. You're a Christian. You live up to your standards. If God go punish me, I sin, I make God punish me because you get punishment to for what you say. So if you better than me, teach me the right way. But don't fucking come call me no whore and this and that. She never knows the whole. I don't know where she go and people not tell her about this. I don't know where she go. It is so unspeakable, me shock. Because I have love in my heart for the woman and that hurt me. People tell the truth, me think my mother. I never expect that to my mother. At all. So that she sit down and chat and chat and chat and chat. I never know. But God make have a way to find out everything. And so I walk the road, my brother come and yank down for my wig where they are. And I go maybe somebody just come at me and yank my wig, me turn on a bicycle or rasp and I say, I never like it, so I tell her, yeah, no, I pain no mind, I'm in mind, I fool. Are you fucking send them off, contaminate me? Because the last time, when I come over there and tell us my son gone for my work, by the time I look, I see my brother about McDonald's a full time, he come out here, what happened? And he start to talk, him and ask about my son. And I see how my son no call him and find out like my son he wants something, he hook him up to him boss, and it's like him get a job like he want money from his son. In a kind of way, like, give me a son number. I just tell you know what, I get to my son and get back to you, I never give him my number. Because that show what they are selling for come, money my son for money now. If you see him hook up for the boy, I get the job. You understand me? Like a fucking agency. So she go tell him that because she see me I do good, I ask my son do good. And that thing come with. I'm going to give my son number, I tell my son. My son say, mommy, I don't know nobody nothing. That's why everybody turn away, man. That's why. You hurt me to the core of my body. Maybe my chest up, me tell me I almost have a heart attack and my belly feel like me that give birth. Couldn't believe. I would have when I fret to me I want the woman dead and I say, Lord have mercy and I worry. And at this me get. Me fucking worry days over, baba. My mind is a little bit freer now because me say, boy, me can't do nothing for you. I'm sure of that at this point, so I can't do nothing for you. Boy, I go there, so I come from and then I reach, so I said, I have skull in my belly, I couldn't know better. I not bring up come for my family. I not do it, I want to make my life better. I want my son come out to be something. Go there, I don't nobody want to say, I'm a reach so right now. And God make myself gold jewelry. All kind of costume jewelry. I never go back to dance. And after the old man give me the place, I take time and start to help myself in a business. When the old man help me the place, I start sell jewelry. And I go, no make. And God say, no, go again. And I saw me take up that and clean my life. So when I go back in the club, go dance. And I saw God make the man meet me and bring me to the studio. I saw God make me popular and I decide for walk the clean way. And that's why I live with the man house. So I like go sugar daddy, I like begging for nothing to me hungry. I mean, I want to live in the man house. I want to come out to make my own money and live clean. And that's what I'm doing now. No, come on. Me trying to be a good person. Me not out there bar a catch man at night time for you call me war. And I live this kind of nasty life. Since 2001, me not drink. Me not do nothing at all. Me not go clubbing. Every time I go perform. The time I don't perform, I come back and I still not drink. I do a smoke a little herb sometime. Calm my nerves and stay to myself and try to get the people them joke. And make who sick happy. Who boring laugh. And we just talk and laugh. Boy, all kind of shit. I got to me express in a different way, hilarious and ridiculous sometimes. That people will say me crazy. Because I said to myself, you know, I have so much work to do, but I had so much things on my mind. I supposed to do my sketch them. I have everything ready to do my sketch, to do my shit, me look skip them and sketch them to become 2 person, to do the act out and make them nice for my YouTube page. And I'll no one ever get to it. Worrying sometimes about my mom. But now I'm going to get to do all what I have to do. I need to get these things done. They're important for what I'm doing in the business, to get everything done what I'm supposed to get done. But I'm not gonna sit back and let nobody bring me down when me about to start make a breaking point for make my life really change. So me never have to go back broke. Me never have to go and ask a man for $1. Me not have to sleep for a man for $1 and I beg nobody nothing. You know what I mean? You have to go lay down with nobody when you really love and want to murder and want to baptize, or just stay by yourself and baptize. And just the way the world are in right now. You just want to clean up your life. You don't want to lie in your casket with all this bag. I come on here and I confess and I say everything I do. I didn't give a fuck about it. Because you better me tell the truth before you come out and find out. Because today, if you never come out and talk the way me be, today a lot of people will chat, but a lot of people is like, oh God, and if you tell me already, so we know this, but it's still not right what she do to the girl. Because that's her mother. And we see how much she love her and she go back there and son of my cast that what she still go back all the time and she do whatever her mother tell her to do. But she just didn't want to take the money and take the rest of her time off now. When she try to write better music now, if you go to Jamaica, go sit down for your brother, come up, come beat her, the one she cuss over the mama. The mama still go take a film if you lick me down. The one that they do to me still live on the land. When me I go down there, so I go. Why me I go to the project or sign up for the apartment and live in there to take care of somebody else's child when I ride up on bicycle then right here in Brooklyn? Why didn't I continue rapping music and do my sketch and make people laugh and try to live by myself, try to have more godly in me, trying to find more peace within myself and try to repent? Why should I continue living a nasty life, sucking guy dick or fucking somebody and living for a sugar daddy and giving me money? I don't need to live like that as a young woman. Everybody been through mistake in their life and been through certain part of the road. But I tell God I want to better. I don't want to live this life. So if God put me this substance to entertain people where I could make a bread, I don't have to be in the street to make a commercial. I don't have to this. People like me and they support me, they buying me cream. Let the blessing rain. All you have to say, Olivet, pray and save a little money. Don't come tell me say, I should have got minimum wage. Don't come tell me to take care of somebody's picnic. I want me Mickey's come to Jamaica next year, soon as next year we come take. Come on. You're putting my life in danger for people to hurt me up there. Because you set the fire. You set the fuel. And you light it and leave it behind burning. So you're only setting me for come on for them to kill me. And then if one of them kill me and police come, you're not going to tell them. You're going to tell them so you don't want to kill them because you're not going to let them go to prison. So why are you setting up my life? Why can't the kid go to other family member? Why didn't you go to my sister? She give me a space in a brand new house to live. And if anything happens to you, she take care of you and the child is there. Why I must leave what I'm doing and work for minimum wage or come to the project? Why should I? Why should I sign up to collect money for you? I mean, I want nothing to do with your money and your things, them. I'm the same person where I can't keep your money if anything happens to you, you're dead for burial. Let them collect the money. Sorry. Let the same person collect the money. Why me have to be in this issue and because I don't want to become a whore? Me become mad. But me wasn't mad enough to come and clean your shit. I wasn't mad enough to come and take care of you. But me mad now. And me a whore. I'm in a right in my head because it's called brat in my gut. So I'm in a right in my head, but me must come and come take care of you and wipe your shit. Come to the project and sign up and take care of the people where you know for me. And go work for minimum wage. Because something wrong me fucking mind. Me not to make money. Me must work on your whole blood clot, woman. You hear me tell you, woman? Me must work under your whole blood clot. And my brother Gary more until I in a town. So me get the story from her and I apologize to you. Because I never really hate you. I apologize to you because that woman tell me some things where you do and make me cry. And that's why I come by and cuss you out, Gary. But I apologize to you. Now me see what Nadine trying to say. Alright, and I'm going to call Nadine too. And ask her if she see this clip and make sure she see them. Make sure all the people them see this clip. I hope everybody share it just for me. I want it worldwide, all in England. I want everybody that know this woman see what she's saying to me. If you never share my video before, please share this one. Please. So when the woman sick and call me or she did and me not go, you don't have the reason why. You don't have it right safe on the timeline. It's going to be a lot more concerning to this. So you save the video. So you have the follow-up. Believe me, not done yet. Me not nothing to say but you go and call back to cuss me again because I know she stay. Whether she call me and tell me, oh, Trisha have twin fit the man, and this and that to the man, and naturally fit the man good, and the man soon left her and she a dirty gal, and she don't like you, and she bad mind, she always bad mind you, all of it. And the girl come up, and the girl tell her, say, you're not fucking good. You try to mess up me and my husband. But as she mess up me and Bolo too, because she had came back everything what the girl say. And then she come go and talk the same back and forth. So Bolo have a pint. She want to take back lick next girl husband on her face. So she don't want to lick both husband on the face. That's fucked up. That's fucked up, and it should be a fire between us. And then we're supposed to be happy as sisters. We can't. Because of her. You know, so when she dead or not, nobody can't live at the house. Don't be running, you can run your house, you can't turn in there. She turn up in there. She don't know where I go. She dedicate a wait for you. Remember me tell you. Because she depend on her right, she kill herself over. For what? For what? It's a house. It's a fucking house. They have to lick off the wall and put in this big furniture I can't go in and build back the wall. You know what I mean? You don't see that nowhere. And this crap that they send them, and so she'll go on. You tell her, no man, no bother with her. You bad mind because you don't have nothing. I have something. You don't have nothing, you worrying gal. You mess up my life, but me not have nothing if me not have nothing. Use the cause of all of it. You. But may God have mercy upon your soul. And mine. And mine. Good evening, after I have no more than a week, I could have sent phone. I don't know. I don't see if I have it, let me know, because I'm not paying them $130 good, you know me, tan? And cost money, but I don't pay more than that. So I want to buy them say, I can give 40. I say, I'm going to have 30, so I don't know. I can try to get it for you, we see. I don't know. I just feel in my heart to somebody like the we got one. Could be. That's what my spirit tell me. Somebody want to say, I have a special gift. I have a special gift. God give me a special gift. This lady, she called me today, I can ask her. I know I have, but I'm not clean enough to use it as possible. Like I supposed to use it. This lady called me today. And she said, Alvette, I've been watching you. And so on. And I don't call for no reason. I just want to say hello to you. And I say, hello, hon. And she was talking. She said, I really enjoy your program and so on, you know. A lot of people call me and tell me that they enjoy watching me. And I said, thank you. You know, I mean something to somebody in this world. Because when God loves you, you don't worry about fucking people that don't like you. You're stronger than them and you're better than them. They see something in you that they don't understand how you still got it. How you're still surviving. How you're still making the way. You understand? You make your way. Like she was telling me, you don't get no citizenship. You're not in a regular job. You're not paying a tax. You're not getting no citizenship. And you're not going to get your son and this and that. What me do? Me get my citizenship and me get my son. Understand? Your father that sing and try to kill him and you use up all the time when become nothing to be like your father. Always negative. I am not my father. I am me. I am not my father. You know what I mean? I am not. And that's why the whole family be like this. And Goody said to me, say, you know what? I just called to say hi to you and so you doing and so we started to talk. And she said to me that, you know, if you, I know Miss Kakafat, she miss Miss Kakafat, and she's like, is there anything you could have seen in my life? But I told her, I'll have to talk to her about that in a different note next time. I said, Goody, she want to know if you can see anything in her life, you know. But if I tell you the truth, I couldn't sit down at the time. I can't read about it because I have the mind of reading or trying to look out. Like Mr. Goody said, next time I take it up on a different note. But by the time I said that, the spirit said to me, said, you can't do that, you need to look in. So while she was continuing talking to me, and the spirit connect with me, and I zoom in. When I zoom in, we was talking about regular stuff. I was not reading her. I saw a light-skinned guy. His ear kind of thinning on the top. Yes, like I say, look, mix kind of thinning on the top. And he was sitting in front of a car. He got this big smile. And he's like, he's saying, she said, like, I'm having my husband now. American, whatever. My husband is American. She said, my husband is American and so on. And she was talking. So I turned to her and I said to her, what about the brown skin guy? I said, the brown skin guy is here kind of thin on the top like? She said, oh. I said, the brown skin guy is in a car sitting down. She said, my God, that's my ex. With a big smile, him crashed into a car and he died. I said, well, ma'am, but I'm seeing the guy in the car. And I tell her, describe her to him. And she said, oh my God, she started to cry. And she started to cry, you know. They said, God, don't give me a gift. Well, you're wrong about that. She started to cry. Yes, because I saw him in the car. I still see him now, as I tell you. And as she was talking about her husband, him say, if you tell her the truth, me not like that, but me can't do nothing about it. But I cannot smile on him face. So I tell her, I say, you know what? He said, the man we are talking about that, he must say, him not really like it, but right now, when there, he can't do nothing about it. And she's like, oh my God. Because me couldn't know the man personality, me couldn't know the man look like, me couldn't know the man a car, me never know the man crashing out, me see me the car. So right away, she's like, my God. And me I say, yeah. And she attack and she a cry, but at the same time, as him sit in the car, you say water drop out a female it turn pink. And it's like him I say, she's like the thing that really mean a lot to him, but it's so late now we can't go back. But she's saying yes because I help him with a lot of papers and so he would have the next woman with me. And I saw him crash and dead. I say, whoa. That's why I'm saying can't help it right now one day. That's the reason why he said these things. Because he's not living. But he wants it to be free. He wants it to be happy. He's glad you're doing good. But you need to set him free because he's not free. Light to white candle, open the window and let him go. Tonight, let him go. Light to white candle and make him spirit go free. Let him walk towards the light, you know. Yeah, because him care, you know, it was wrong, him did that wrong, but in the sense of his mind at that time, he didn't even thinking about the person he was with. It's like the last person he seen was her before he died. Because truly that's where his heart was, even though the devil had fooled him. So basically, me couldn't know so much because I didn't know the woman's business. She never mentioned, she just said her husband is American. And she was crying because she was so shocked. So in the end of the day, nobody want to talk about Christian and me a whole sinner. Make skull turn on my belly, skull in later, make me say a lot. It up with them and help me out. And God is with me. That's why the Spirit told me not to take the money. Because she wasn't good enough. That's why the Spirit said don't go over there a lot when she call. If you go hang out, do not. Stay yourself when you can visit your visit. Go to send for like a time and come back. Don't stay where she go walk and tell people she sleep over here. She a catch up cash, she don't know if you live. Man fuck her all about. She a whore and she don't know if you live. Over here she itch up. Me not in that. That's why I don't hang around. My God, I hope I'm not dead tonight because my body really hurt me and my heart pain me inside my body. Won't like for dead over this. Kind of worth it. My God. You like the wig, Beverly? Beverly? Beverly German. That wigs look nice. Thank you, Beverly. Alright. Dumpings. Nice hair. Thank you, the goodie. Or Alback. Thank you, Alback and goodies. Love you too. Thank you, Tia. Fagos. Thank you. Godia. Tanisha, thank you. Stefan, MC. Ooh. Love your hair. Thank you. Amika Lewis, thank you. Natalie. Portos, you're there for a while, girl. Me know the name, yeah. Big up yourself. Enough love. So I need to get some more. You know, some I like black hair, but I don't like the black hair for me. I like the color one, them, but I don't like the black one. Them lately, I notice. I been coming into lack, so I don't like the black hair, but I don't know why. Because I really don't like them. I feel like they make me look so old and ugly. So I like to wear the bright color one, but no, I don't say I don't like the black one, them. I need to get more black one, then. Huh? More black or not? Let me know if I need to wear more black one for you guys. Which one you like better, the black ones let me know. So I will just buy black ones for now. I don't want to look the worst, you know. If y'all don't think it don't look too good, the color one, don't let me buy the fucking thing. If me keep it looking like a fucking clown, at least help me out and say I'll leave it by the black one. You know, some of the color one good to with color upon it, but depends. But if this one look nice, you say I'll get the black one then more than the color one. You can't with the color one and when you have the crazy sitting them and just with the black one regular. You know? Be honest as a friend. Don't let me go out and just put the color one and me wake up my head and know say no look good. Let me put them on only when me do the crazy thing on the live. But if me I go out every day, make me wear the black one and me feel look better. Don't fucking let me walk out looking ugly every day and can't say I'll just buy the black one, no? We like the black one better. At least I said that me we buy the black one and once they alright me buy the other one them. Me go put on me do a sketch and then just use the black one all the time. If you don't like it. Instead of let me buy this whole fucking ugly thing and not tell me nothing. If me buy the other one them and not like them, make me wear them when me do the funny sketch man and wear the black one out and say I'll just buy the black one for outside all the time. And sometime on here too. But sometimes you do something ridiculous, then you can wear a crazy one for match whatever you play out. But buy a black one because I look better upon you. Say that. When you see me have enough problem in my life, don't make me look fucking worse. When you see me I try rise up. And if me not look certain way and people not go like me and take me for give me a chance in anything. Tell me for wear the right one when me get a break. Tell me for take the right one when me make a little break with it because things not right. And me trying. So goodie. Nobody now go put you up and put you no acting aisle before and no stand up cup. Where the black woman then see the beauty and then when you go up on that now you can wear the crazy sitting for that you do. But don't let me look like that and say, goody, me love you, the hair look good, and you know the fucking thing no look good. Me soon find somebody who can do the makeup for me normally and a good basis for a good price, you know? Me know that the makeup need help too. Now get me wrong, but at least, you know, me tone it down sometime more than some. You know that. Sometimes me know me go act crazy for them, put on the crazy makeup, come go up on the train and do something fat fuck with me get something to start them with. And me go viral. My intention them with my face, because they want to cost me makeup. Me work hard on the train and sing every day. People think me mad all pan talk all kind of shit like myself, me I talk to on the train. But people notice me and say, fuck, she must be mad. When I look at my Facebook, they start follow me. Think me fucking fool. Then I think some could see me never so brave like one time, but God been with me. And I start praying or drink and do other things, and I just get strong and get brave. I don't care. And saying what? You get an opportunity right now, you get popular, girl, beat it. If you go on the show, you have 10 pieces of 1,000 suit and beat it. Because that of them was commenting on the video last night and saying, girl, mad. She not show her clothes on. And I could have blacked them, but I say, I not go black them. Because when you look into it, them mad more than me. If you even say that. Because everybody knows me on Facebook. I know say me can't naked pan live. So the fuck me go naked in a show. I can't so me be alone. I must only do that to show the soap so that me have to have seen thing. So who mad for things that me should have done naked? Them mad? Are them mad? Are them mad really? I say are them mad really because if you're on Facebook and you work, you run commercial. You know you can't be naked, don't shut you down. You're not going to get a fucking check next month. Would you come on fucking the naked a big woman like you 43? Some of them say she should be in church, this woman. Them stupid and I share the video. I love that. Because me have a stocking, me have an old bodysuit is a black piece, plus me have on the yellow panty over that. So that me have on 2 panty then basically on the stocking. And a top. Because I know me can't company because what happened to me last year, I did a video like that. At the old place where the rat them did there, because I really see me have to make it. Some more did that. And I put up them for sale. And I go to the show and buy, me brought them, I have $120, I buy $120 red piece. And put it and I go on the show and do a video like that and it go viral on Facebook, I put it on YouTube. I end up make about $1,200 after it. After that one video there. So I said to myself last night, like, oh, it'd be a good idea. If I do something like that again, pump up my business, make people get to buy the soap and cream. I must order me drop off today and ship. Because people need to see how the soap work and it good. And it's a little excitement and it's kind of funny in the show with some things on, you know. Some of them say, girl, nah, no shame. Girl, should have been disgraceful. Are you disgraceful and fucking stupid? I'm working, I'm a comedian. I supposed to have on clothes in the shower to make you laugh. I suppose I want to show on the clothes to cover my skin from not getting locked down. To show the soap work. I'm a comedian. So you should be ashamed of me. Somebody never seen nothing like this yet. Are you fucking stupid? It's a show. You're not supposed to see nothing like that yet. That's why you have to come over and look. You don't want to see the same shit every day. You want to see something you never see before. Bleaching soap in the shower, you and me talk and make joke. Yo, got some stink ass pussy. And me joke on and me go on. And we laugh. And me pray and me go on me bed. Not no matter about me working and getting a paycheck. Actors and actresses do many different roles. In many different movies. If you're going to entertain people and have people following you, you got to be entertaining, baby. Tell the truth. Show people what life can bring, what it can bring, what you can do and what you're not doing. And some people not talk and what go on in life. Open up to the purple them. Because when they're done gone, you can't open up, you can't talk to me. You don't hear going to make it bother me. When I can hear them from the little part of the out, they're going to make it tickle me. When I always see me do this when I hear them start with that. From the wake, yeah. So you be yourself. Maybe funny, the man says, "One, she definitely mad. She lost her mind." You damn well me lost my mind because of money me want. Me fucking lost it when it come to a paycheck. Me lost my goddamn mind because of money me want. And if it costs me to lose my mind to get a paycheck in this fucking country, I sure we will. And if it costs me to lose my mind and to be ugly and to be famous, I'm glad I got that. Because I'm going to make it. So who wanna sit around and fold them ass and go work for minimum wage and sit down and not get nowhere and worry about she's crazy. I'm gonna get even fucking crazier. Especially when we live alone like next year. It only gets worse. Nothing gets better over here. Simple fact that I am who I am. And I'm not gonna change for no one. That's my personality. When I wanna be funny, me not crazy. Me just being funny and I laugh. Sometimes I go up on my own life, then my balls with my laugh until tears run out of my own eye. Because I can't understand how I make people laugh and how I can make myself laugh. Because I never plan on me, I go say. It just come right out of my brain. So when I go back and listen to the laugh this morning, I laugh till I cry. Yeah, some stink ass pussy. This shit is funny. And I have to laugh. And I don't understand why I'm laughing till I'm crying after my own self, watching my own self. And I realize this is not real. God, you make me different. You really make me different. Because when I come to talk, I don't just come and plan something. When I go talk about, I talk all kind of different topics, cut off and start it, and I'm just continue to go on. Because I don't plan. So when it come out funny, I laugh because it come right out of your mind and it's gone. And it's like you tape it because you don't remember that. It's gone. It's like a spread for moment. Just like sometimes I'm doing a music and I beat the rhythm and I do the song of the song. Sometimes I remember some part of the song. But certain part of the song, I'm hook on part. And I go back and sometimes I keep doing it till I remember. And I put it on. Until I done the whole song. You understand, Goody? So that's life. You cannot come on social media and people watching you all over and you do the same fucking thing all the time. Be yourself. So the more the show up work, do your little thing, feel happy. Be you, that's who you would be. Normally if nobody know around. Shit that you will do, you know you do alone, nobody around. You're going to show me all them fuckery and sing and all kind of sitting talking. Nobody around. Scrubbing your skin. Some people going to go sing like a big show in there. People do different things in the bathroom. It's funny. It may give you a paycheck. You don't have to be outside prostitute and then avoid nobody. You stay right as and make a paycheck. God give you the blessing. God give you that kind of personality that you don't have to listen to nobody cuss you and say no way. You can turn right in your house and make a paycheck. People who love you log on to listen to you, to hear you, because you speak the truth. Because if you suck pussy, your mama say, you fuck man and woman. At least she said it. But it's not surprising because I said it before. Thank you, Jesus, I've been truthful. That's your belly already. I said it. I was truthful. So when she come out and I cuss and I say, me don't tell the whole world already. But to hear it coming from her and know me never tell her nothing bad, it was shocking. It was nerve-wracking. Me can't believe I know. Me gonna have to plug this phone good and come off of this thing. And go and find some clothes and go and get something to eat. Get something to drink and relax my nerve a minute and come talk to you. I love you guys, but I think it's time to go. I'm not going to stay much longer anymore. I need to get myself together and get... Yeah. Yeah, so I saw you go. So right now, I'm going to leave, because I want to go and get some clothes on, because I eat from morning, all them and eat it. And so on, and we get back to you. I love you guys, and we talk some more later. My stomach feel really painful at this time. I need to go and get something to eat, Goody. Really. I don't make nobody mash up and kill me. I need to eat before I drop down or something bad go wrong with me. I'm going up in the hospital with IV in my hand tonight. That wouldn't be good. Because I hurt over the situation. So let me go. Put some clothes on. get myself together, put the phone for charge up and come back and talk to you. Love you, and thank you.